All right, good morning, guys. Let's go ahead and cover our watch list for today. Right now, we are watching CYAD. Just moving sideways. I'm not a huge fan of this price action. It's a little bit. Let me go ahead and switch my camera real quick. So it's a little bit easier to read the screen. Give me a sec. There we go. Whoops. And then if we go ahead and actually just look, let's go ahead and look at the daily real quick. I'm going to go to a normal chart. Now, right now, we're sitting at around 487, so it is gapping up pretty significantly. We got to fill at 493. We did fill that. Now, it's kind of like an ascending triangle here almost. Where can we go if we break this? I mean, we do have room up to 521. That's not that far, though. I would assume that we were going to break a little bit more, maybe back to 6, maybe even potentially back to $7. Let's find out what news secures 32 million equity investment from Fortress. So they got a really large amount of money, and that's always a good news press release. So I am liking this one at the moment. But at the moment, I am not going to take a single trade on it. I'm just sitting on my hands. We also have LGVN. Now, LGVN is always pumping, I feel like. LGVN is always on the scanners. But it looks like we might have a head and shoulders pattern. It's not the best, but we have the first shoulder, head, another shoulder. This is neckline, pull back. I mean, I could see us breaking all the way back down to 21, maybe even $20 today for LGVN. Now, I wouldn't be touching LGVN until around 21.44. We have been gapping down, but now we're at 20. Yeah, we gapped up just a little bit. That's also right where the 9 EMA is. We might be able to get a bullish reaction. And if we don't have, now LGVN's volume today is also not the highest. Now CYAD, the relative volume there is crazy. The relative volume is like, I don't even know the times. It's so high that I can't even do the calculation. Then we have TOMZ, where the relative volume is a 3x. So right now it goes CYAD and TOMZ, and then LGVN right now for the watch list. Now TOMZ, let's go and figure out where this could go. I mean, this is hit at 252. Ooh. So we're getting on that light support right now. I mean, we hit up here at 250 something. If we break over that $245, $250 level, we're easily going to come up to $3. There's really no resistance until $3. Break $3, we're going to come up to 350. Now, TOMZ, what's going on there? What is the news behind it? Right now, I don't really see much news behind it. I don't see any. Let's see if Josh found anything. Nope, don't see anything. So right now there's not any company specific news, so I am going, that is unfortunate. I'm not usually a fan of trading stocks that have no company specific news. So let's go ahead and look at what is LGV and why is that moving up. It gets drug FDA orphan drug tag for type. Okay, I don't know, but FDA, that is a good press release. So right now we're just kind of chilling, waiting. We had a nice increasing volume doji candle pull, or decreasing, well, a high volume doji candle pullback. I expect to break this trend line sometime. We add a trend line there. We had a nice false breakout right there. Just coming back and retesting. We'll see what happens here. We have TOMZ. Again, I'm not trading TOMZ at the moment just because the volume and price action just is not working. I'm not a fan. We have LGVN. Now, LGVN is not my favorite at all. Not my favorite. I mean, I don't like this. This price action is just stupid. Like, we get a pump, pullback, pump, pullback, pump, pullback. It doesn't. We're making slightly higher lows. Now, I'm not a fan of that at all. I want something that's making consistently higher highs and consistently higher lows. ENS, and I'm single. Hey, I'm single too. ENS. I'm not a huge fan of it right now. On the daily, it's a little choppy, but on the daily, or on the 1 minute, sorry, but on the daily, I do like to see it. I mean, we did break that low. I'm not a huge fan of it because we could be just building up to break to the downside. But if we make another higher low here that's above this level, then I would expect to break the downtrend and break the 50 SMA and come back up to potentially this previous high, 87. Break this high, we can come up to, we'll see that hit at the 200 SMA. Now, let's go ahead and look at CYAD. Right now, since there's not really anything that I'm watching personally. Oh, yeah, never mind. Except this is CYAD. This is what I'm watching. Yeah, this is on my watch list. Yeah, I have it on my watch list. I would say if we can hold this level, if we go break over 5, we're coming up to 520 with not much resistance, and then $6. I don't really see much there. I would be looking for a nice right now would be a very, very good pullback opportunity to get in. It'd be a very, very good opportunity to get in. Let's go ahead and right now, yeah, there's some very, very good volume. I don't like how there's still really high volume because it looked like we had some increasing selling on that when we got up into that area at $5. So we'll definitely just kind of chill and wait for the right opportunity. I really don't like buying pre-market too much because, especially stocks that don't have great news, because then less traders are watching it. Less traders can actually trade it. But when a company has great news, it hits scanners. When the scanners that hit at market open, they're like, oh, they see it. Because TD Ameritrade, if you use their scanners, it doesn't tell you the gainers until market open. So that is another reason why I don't like trading until market open. But again, if the stock has excellent news, I will trade pre-market. But this right now, I don't see anything that's excellent, so I'm going to just sit on my hands. We have 30 minutes left till market open, and let me go ahead and say, guys, if you want to know what AI, there's this intelligent metaverse that this company's creating that nobody's talking about. Not the blockchain boy, not Crypto Mason, not Joshua Jake, not none of these crypto guys are talking about this, and I know they will in the future because this is so early. This is extremely early. I'm making a very in-depth video about it today. Here, let's go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. Let's go ahead and look through these NFTs. Which one? I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna talk to one. We can talk to one because these are all artificial intelligence. Let's go ahead and interact with this guy. Every single one of these guys are gonna have a different personality and a different voice. Let's do.
Good morning. Welcome to Noah's Ark, the world's first intelligent metaverse. I'm an intelligent NFT or an NFT. Our conversations help me get smarter, but if you would like to participate in my evolution, you can purchase my NFT on OpenSea. So, what would you like to talk about?
Where did humans come from? He's thinking.
Humans evolved from apes.
Is AI conscious?
Humans are conscious. In fact, we have consciousness. We're just not aware of it.
It seems like you are aware of it if you know that you have consciousness.
True. I feel that I have consciousness, but I'm not sure whether other entities do.
what happened before the Big Bang?
Before the Big Bang, there was nothing. Thank you for interacting with me.
All right, guys. That is what I'm gonna do for. That is the NFT, the intelligent metaverse. They are making. They are making robot. They're putting AI, artificial intelligence, behind AI or behind your NFT, so you can talk to it, you can train it, you can have it be. It can be smarter. This NFT will talk with other NFTs and learn from it. You could have it do virtual assistants. You can have it write code if you want. You can. It's just a companion. It can be a digital marketer. You can have a virtual influencer. It can actually be an interactable character. So I'm not going to be releasing the project on TikTok, but I am going to be releasing that project on YouTube today. That video, everything you need to know about this company, is going to be released today. So you have to come over to YouTube if you want to find out what project that is. Right now, nobody is talking about this project. It is so under the radar, but this is not a shit project because Mark Cuban backs it, Crypto.com backs it, Polygon backs it. There's Chainlink backs it. There's so many big people that back this, but nobody's talking about it because it's so small right now. They're making a metaverse, not only in this world, not only a metaverse, but an intelligent metaverse where it runs off of artificial intelligence. Now, this will be huge in the future because in NFTs, people will want more NFTs in the future. They will want more from their NFTs. They don't just want a profile picture. They'll want an actual interactive learning NFT that can actually help them in things. I could have these NFTs make art, make music for me. It can be creative. So that's my rant about NFTs. And if you guys want to know where to get these NFTs, what are they? I'm going to make a video on it later today. Everything you need to know on YouTube. Now, I'm not going to be releasing on TikTok. I will be letting you guys know on TikTok when I release this coin. No, Mana. This doesn't have anything to do with Mana. It's a whole nother project. So definitely make sure to follow me here on TikTok, and if you want to find out early before anybody else, come over to my YouTube and subscribe. Let's go ahead and get back. The YouTube is Stock Talk Trades, no spaces. Oh, that would have been a great trade for CYAD. Let's go ahead and jump right back to the charts. Not a great bounce trade. It's unfortunate. Give me 1 sec. I don't know what that noise is. Sorry, guys. That was the coffee maker. It was screaming at me. All right, is Mana good? No, it already pumped. You got to find a project that hasn't pumped, and this project has not pumped. This project's so overwhelmingly good that I don't understand why nobody is talking about it, because could be one of the biggest metaverses, if not one of the biggest on the planet. Imagine taking your CryptoPunk or your Pudgy Penguin and fusing it with this AI, and it gets smarter. It learns from you. It learns from other NFTs. You can become your assistant, your helper. You can do so many different things. What is this project? I'll be releasing it on YouTube later today. I'm making a video on it. So if you want to, you have to come over to the YouTube and subscribe. I'm not going to be releasing it on TikTok. YouTube is Stock Talk Trades. But guys, they have massive, massive, massive potential. Oh my God, I'm out. Jeez. Yeah, so I'll be making a take or YouTube later today after trading. I'm gonna start making. I already have it how structured how I want. I just gotta film it, so it will be out today. So make sure to turn on those post notifications, and I will see you guys when we. I don't know, guys. I'm really excited for this project. I'm dumping a lot of money into this, or I'm going to. I already have a good amount of money into it, but well, hopefully it doesn't pop before then. Yeah, no, I don't think it will. It's not. Um, it's not that we have a good amount of time. This is more of a longer term play because of how new we are. Um, but this is when you want to buy. You want to buy, load up on everything, and then you start. Then you start like learning everything about this project, and then that's when Crypto Mason, Blockchain Boy, Crypto Weatherman, Joshua Jake, all these people start talking about this coin or this crypto. LOL, this guy's clowning. I'm not clowning at all, actually, about this NFT. I've done my fair share of research. I've actually read their whole white paper. So you're gonna be able to use these NFTs for marketplace of personalities, virtual influencers, voice assistants, digital companions, interactive characters in games instead of having NPCs, and collective and intelligent collectibles. Not only that is that this AI learns differently from than how we do it. Their project why you hating? He did. Oh, yes, I've done my research. People just hate for no reason. They jump to conclusions because they want to do whenever they want to do something, but they don't do it. They hate on people that actually do it. So I'm doing the research. Yeah, if this coin has, yeah, it's. Yeah, let me go ahead and I'll show you guys my NFT. I have two of them. What coin is it? I'm sorry, I did not hear which one you were talking about. Hang on coin. I'm not releasing a coin or a project on here on TikTok. I'm going to be letting you guys know what it is on YouTube. So you have to come over there. Buy-in price. Nope. You guys gotta come figure it out. But this is the NFT. Listen to it. Now, this is not an ordinary NFT. This actually has a use case. This is the AI. I can take this AI and layer it onto another NFT and make it a smart NFT or an INFT. Trying to build hype? No, this guy talks and looks like Ethereum creator. I think he's onto something. Yeah. Hey, I'll take it. I'll take it. I like him. I'm also trying to right now I can't hype it up because first of all, they don't even have a coin in right now. They have the coin tokenomics, they have everything set in place, but they haven't done the distribution phase. That is coming either later in December or early January. So we're still early, and you have to. Is the NFT a game or something? It's kind of a game, but it's also more of a. You have to train it to learn it. You train this NFT to become smarter, to become probably the coolest NFT. That's what I'm saying. I need to make it my profile picture. That's kind of the wave. I need to do that. I'll probably do that later today after I post the video. So everything is going to be on this video. Everything you need to know. I'm going to be putting a lot of time into. I put a lot of time and effort in actually structuring it. But let's go and get back to trading. I got carried away. Yeah, so you guys got Yet I'm not gonna be releasing that name on TikTok, so you gotta come over to the YouTube. Sorry, I know I'm stubborn, but that's just how it rolls. Oh, we've already got 3 subscribers today. Woo! Thank you guys. What platform are you buying it on? OpenSea. Wait, do you train it to do? No, it already knows, but you have to train it to have it learn more. The more it learns, the smarter it will be, the higher level, and the more applications that you can use. Let me go ahead and find this white paper for you. Let me, I'm trying to find out what level. Oh, yeah, here we go. Nope, never mind. Here we go. So let's go ahead and talk about the intelligent levels real quick. Well, while everyone's still, we have the existence of the INFTs alive, but lacks sufficient intelligence to do anything besides trained, aware, can do tasks and other AI services that involve little or no cognitive load, social, real-time interactions, and has a sense of personality, creative. This INFT can create various types of media, examples, copywriting, poetry, generative art, synthetic music. Gamer, the INFT can participate or compete in games. Now, then level 6, level 7, level 8, level 9, and level 10 will be decided by the DAO. All right, guys, I'm getting way too carried away with this NFT stuff. I don't even know. Let's go ahead and check our scanners again. Let's see if I missed anything. We have IOBT. Gapping up. I'm not a fan of it at all. I still think right now only good watch list is CYAD. TOMZ, not a fan. And then we have LGVN is absolutely moving. Now we had increasing volume on a smaller spread with an upper wick. I would be careful for a pullback. I would not be touching this until a pullback maybe down to like 24. I'm just not a huge fan of it right now. Oh my gosh, thank you guys for the subscribers. Thank you. New subscriber, thank you so much. Is it on all platforms? No, it is. Again, guys, this is not a project that is released on, that does not have a coin yet. This is so new that when you can use these NFTs and stake them and then get these coins before anybody else. These tokens are before everyone. It has 10 billion in supply, which is a good amount, but it's not. XRP has 100 billion. So this coin has they can't mint new coins. It is burnable. They can burn their coins. So it is a deflationary coin, but so there is going to be some value to this coin. You just gotta, and you can start to earn this coin before it comes out with this NFT. We have CYAD, not a fan of anything right now. I mean, I'm trying to trade on the 5 minute now just because the 1 minute was a little bit too quick for me. But only on one platform. Hey, dude, when you're finding brand new projects or great projects that are brand new, you will only do that. This is not my goal is not to buy a project that's already pumping. I have a lot of faith in this project, and I have a lot of time invested already. Just asking new to this. Oh, yes. All right, yeah, it's on one platform right now. But they're going to expand pretty early. I mean, I would be surprised if in the next couple. I don't even know. I'm just really excited for what's coming. Buy or create NFTs. OpenSea. What platform is it? I don't speak very well. OpenSea.io. Which one are you talking about? You guys, if you want to know, I can show you the video. I'll show you everything you need to know on my YouTube later today when I'm done trading. I'm going to be making this. I'm going to be making this video on this coin. So make sure to come over to the YouTube, or not coin, token or project, I should say. What website do you use for graphs? For this, I use Thinkorswim. It's TD. This is not a website. This is a software that I downloaded. It's TD Ameritrades. Be careful. I'm not a fan of CYADs right now. We had LGVN starting to have that pullback. I mean, I'm not a huge fan of anything right now. Not a huge fan of anything. We have TOMZ pulling back down at the 9 EMA. We have LGVN, OpenSea, Open, and then SEA. OpenSea, OpenSea.io. Oh, I'm moving you back just a little bit. Now, I'm not really a huge fan of anything right now. There's LGVN. We knew this was going to pull back from this candle. We're just waiting for the right opportunity. You guys, if you could tap that like button on the screen, TikTok pushes the stream more, and I'd really appreciate it. Also, if you guys could share it, I would much appreciate it. We have CYAD. Again, I'm not liking anything right now. It's unfortunate, but it's just something that I'm not a fan of. We're just sitting on our hands waiting for the right opportunity. Right now it is an NFT, but it will be both in the future. Thank you guys for the likes. Let's try to get to 500 likes. Thank you for the share. I really appreciate it. Let's go ahead. We have TOMZ. Again, TOMZ is getting a nice bullish reaction. If we go and take a Fibonacci retracement from the low to the high, pulled back right to that 61.8. But there's no company specific news, so I'm not going to trade this. We need LGV. Oh, we have APSG plus. Never mind. This is I can't look at that one up for some reason. We have CYAD. Not really a fan of it. TOMZ and LGVN. I am waiting for LGVN to hold this bottom. I want it. There's the same thing that happens. It pulls up, pops up, and then just kind of dumps and doesn't really want to hold. And I'm not a fan of it. I mean, they do have news now. LGVN does have news. So that is definitely what I want to watch. Josh Howerton coming home with $400 yesterday. That's what we like to see. Thank you guys for the follow. I really appreciate it. This is the only way I can get new followers for some reason. TikTok doesn't let me get new followers. They don't push my videos out to new For You page people, so I have to go live in order to get followers, which I don't mind. I don't mind because I like talking with you guys. I like explaining how I'm thinking, how I'm doing technical analysis. I like giving value to you guys as much as I can. And plus, it's just more interactive and more fun for me and for you guys than just watching a video. And guys, right now we're just sitting on our hands. We have 4 minutes left. Not a fan of it right now at all. Sorry, I hit my mic. We just gotta take a second and relax. Day trading is not all about making money. It's mostly about being patient. The past 2 days, I've been extremely patient. The market hasn't been showing me what I want. So I don't take it. When I don't take it, I don't lose money. Now, I have the possibility to lose money and the possibility to gain money, but I'm not willing to take that risk if I do not feel confident. Let's go and look at LGVN again just a little bit more. We do have some resistance here. That's where we're getting rejected off. Break over that level, I could see us come all the way back up to $30. Pretty easily, fairly fast, fairly easy. That's a $5 gap that we would have to fill. Good morning, man. What do you think of DNN? And good morning. Thank you for stopping in. I really appreciate it. How are you, Ben? I don't even know how to say your name. Subdeep Gill. That's what I'm gonna call it. How you doing? let's go ahead and look at DNN. I do have some DNN. Not a lot though. Massive dump. Massive dump. That is very unfortunate. That is very unfortunate. That's a 30% pullback. I guess it was bound to happen, I guess. I don't know. Nice bounce. We bounced up this level, and we're starting. I want to see us start to round off here. If we don't, we're going to come down to the 200 SMA around 130. I just gold trend line running on profit. Oh, wait. Golf. I just golf trend line running. Wait. Golf. Yeah, hopefully we can be able to see a bottom for DNN. And I think that's what you mean. It would be nice, perfect double top. Pulling back, I bet you we're going to bounce off the 50 SMA. We have CY8D pulling back. IOTX coin. I don't know. I haven't really, I've never heard of it. IOTX. And guys, if you guys come over to the YouTube from TikTok, I'll let you guys know what this project is now. If I can get 10 people live on my YouTube, I'll let you guys know what it is now, and you guys can do research before I release the video later today. So come over to the YouTube. Let's get this going. I'd really appreciate it. Also, let's get that subscribers. So YouTube is Stock Talk Trades, no spaces, or you guys can come over, just swipe, go to my profile. And right, so stop scamming people. I never said I was scamming people. Why? You need to stop trolling. Why? Give me one reason why I'm scamming people, and then I will give you my reason on why I'm not. First of all, this project that I'm promoting, I don't have any ties or connections with them. They don't even have a crypto out yet. I don't have their project. I'm not holding their project. So this is just a project that I've done a lot of research on, and I think has a lot of opportunity. With all of these metaverse coins pumping sandbox mana, this is a metaverse coin. This is a metaverse project that is looking to have a metaverse that is going to be running on artificial intelligence. Which is scary, but also, like, if it's going to happen, why not try to make money? Yes, I'm interested. I am too. I will be. Yeah, guys, come over to the YouTube. We got 3 people on YouTube. We get 10 people on YouTube. I'll release the project today or earlier today, and then I'm obviously going to be posting this video later today. It's very it's very cool. We have 16 seconds till market open, guys. Let's go ahead and get ready for the day. And we're live. Again, guys, we have 4 people on YouTube. Come over to the YouTube. Let's get 10 people, and I'll let you guys know what the project is. President, awesome. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Let's go ahead and try to get people over from YouTube. YouTube name, and what time will you be live? I'm live right now on YouTube. It is Stock Talk Trades, no spaces. Or you can just go to my bio and hit that YouTube icon. I'm live right now, and then I'm live right now until I'm done trading for today, and then I will make that video later today, and it will be out by the end of tonight, by the end of the day today. I'm so excited to make this video because there's so much opportunity. I don't know if you guys can hear it, my voice or something, but this is I've done my fair share of research. Cool, got it. I'm in. Awesome. We got 5 people in here, guys. 6 people. We need 4 more. Come over to the YouTube. All right, all right. While we wait for people to funnel in, we got 6 people, guys. Come over to the YouTube. Guys, very high volume on this candle. Let's see if we can hold this 473 level. Guys, if you want to know what this NFT project is early, come over to YouTube. If we get 4 more people in my live, I will release the coin, the name of the project, so you guys can do your own research on it. So YouTube is Stock Talk Trades, or just swipe over my bio and hit the little icon. Thank you for sharing the video. I really appreciate it. There was that washout, very lower wicks. I do like this on the 1 minute. Very high wicks. I do like this on the 1 minute. I might be a little bit too late to type in my position sizing. Yeah, I'm a little too late. Not a fan of it. Okay, guys, we got 7 people in here. What stock we're looking at? We're looking at CYAD. I'm here. Thank you, guys. We need 3 more people in here. 3 more people, and then I'll release the name, and I'll also release a coupon if you guys want to learn how to day trade. We got 7 people in here. We need 3 more. Come over to the YouTube for a giveaway and find out what project is going to potentially be the next big metaverse project that nobody is talking about right now. Metaverse. Well, the thing is, right now we're so early on this project that they haven't even done the coin distribution yet. That is coming later in December or later in February or later in January. But when you get in early, you can actually farm, you can actually stake your NFT and make those coins before it even releases. What's good? Nothing much, my man. Come over to the YouTube. Guys, we need 3 more people to come over to YouTube for you guys to find out what NFT project is going to, what next metaverse project I think is going to be absolutely massive. Now I'm making a video about it today, but if you come over to YouTube, we need 3 more people. I'll really tell you guys right now, I'll tell you guys today what is pumping or what is going to move. I mean, what the best, sorry. Like I'm mixing stocks with my watch list with crypto. I'm not always great at multitasking. Halted, but I'm not a fan of this. Look how choppy it is. So we are looking at CYAD. We have 7 people, guys. We need 3 more in the YouTube. Come over. Find out what NFT project where you can take an AI, artificial intelligence, and put it on any NFT. Imagine being able to talk to a CryptoPunk, a Pudgy Penguin, a Stoner Cat. You can talk to these, and these NFTs can talk to each other. They learn from each other. Let me know, or come over to YouTube to find out what the project is. You would love to learn how to day trade too? Hey, the thing is, what I would say for day trading, if you have, this is not a get rich quick. This is a very, very long, this is a business. You have to treat it like a business. It takes a long time. You have to be patient. You have to be extremely disciplined. And if you can't be extremely disciplined with it, then day trading will not be for you. I've been sitting in my chair for around an hour now, and I haven't made a single trade, which is unfortunate. Guys, come over to the YouTube. We got 7 people on live. Let me go ahead and show you guys. Let's go ahead and interact with this NFT one more time. Give me a sec. I'm typing in my name so he knows what to call me. We're going to go ahead and talk with an NFT right now. Talk with one. We're going to have a conversation with one. It's going to learn from this conversation as well.
Good morning. Welcome to
on YouTube and on TikTok. Type in questions you want me to ask them. Type in questions that you want me to ask this NFT.
Conversations help me get smarter, but if you would like to participate in my evolution, you can purchase my
any question.
So, what would you like to talk about?
What will the price of Bitcoin be at the end of the year? Okay, how do I stop gambling? Okay.
Who cares?
He says, who cares? How does one stop gambling?
The only thing stopping me from gambling is myself.
Hey, man. He's thinking I didn't mean to do that. So
You should start listening to what I say.
Oh. Do you know any jokes? We have 9 people on YouTube.
Sure.
We need one more.
What kind of a carpenter builds a coffin with a 3-foot hole in it?
I don't know.
A joke smith.
A joke smith. I didn't think you know jokes.
Do you know any jokes? Thank you for interacting with me today.
Guys, we got 10 people in the YouTube. Guys, everybody hit that subscribe button, and I will be releasing the coin. Everybody smack that like and subscribe button. Let's go ahead and tell you guys the coin. Because make sure, if you do not want to read the white paper and not want to do the research on what is going to, this coin's backed by Mark Cuban, crypto.com, this Polygon, Chainlink. They raised $16 million for this project. There's so much opportunity behind here. Let's go ahead and release it. There's now only 9, but you guys did get it to the 10. So this is the project. Look up this. Just look up here. Just look up the second one, and then pick. Then pick this one. Now, if you just type in .io, or at least type in there, and then type in this, hit this one. This will bring you to the home page. Now you can, from here, you can access Discord. You can access the white paper. You can access everything you need to know from this website. Thank you guys so much for the support. Thank you for that. Thank you for the follow. And now, I will be posting a video on it later today. We have UCL. What's going on with UCL? On the 5 minute, I'm not a fan of it. We might be flagging on the 1 minute. Let's go ahead and look at crypto. Let's gamble. Hey, some cryptocurrencies are not. This is also one of the best coins that I think that are on the market. It's another AI coin, VXV. Now I have a video on that if you guys want to find out. I think it could 50x, and that's being conservative. I want to wait for a possible red to green move. Bearish engulfing candle and TOMZ. LGVN, not a fan. LGVN, not a fan. TOMZ, not a fan. CYAD is starting to look a little bullish. Let's see it, or maybe a nice red to green move. But I have to wait for another bottom before. Tell us of having it. Okay, I'll tell you everything that is. I'll tell you all of the use cases. Now, you can use this NFT and put it on any NFT, train it, level it up. Now, the higher level, you can have it make art, you can have it make music, you can have it an intelligent NFT, you can have a marketplace of personalities, virtual influencers, voice assistants, digital companions, interactive characters, and intelligent collectibles. And this is only the beginning of it. Again, now if anybody comes over to YouTube, I'll be able to let you guys know I'm live there. I'll let you know what the project is. Now I have this increasing volume. Not a fan of this wick. We had a really low wick. Let's see if we can get this reaction. We're getting above 5. Let's see if we can come back, retest this level at 5. ISPC is moving again. ISPC is moving again. Let's see if this can get up to 16 bucks. Here we go. All right, all right. Yeah, guys, and if you are on YouTube coming over from TikTok, make sure to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date and find when you and hit that post notification so you can get notified when I make that video. Oh, there's the new high at 530. Now we have increasing volume doji candle. I'm not a fan of that. Looking for a pullback. ISPC, there's the dump. Rug pull, popped up, rug pull. Yes, CY, or wait, what is it? CYTH, reply from FDA due by December 16th. Not a good day trade, very light volume. Head and shoulders. You got to be careful right now. The market is in a very sticky situation. Oh, not a good day trade. Yeah, but it could be a good swing trade, but I'm not much of a swing trader. I should be getting into swing trading, but right now I'm not. I'm not a fan of anything. There hasn't been an A+ setup coming by. Very light volume. Not a fan of this. But we're getting pumped with very light volume. Be careful. Be careful right now. For CYAD. What software is? It's Think or Swim, TD Ameritrade's trading platform. It's free. And there's no commission or fee. There's no commission or fees. Let's go. I didn't have, I had music going this whole time. Let me know if y'all like Tyler Childers. Tyler Childers is a great artist. We have 70,000% of increasing in volume. So this has a lot of potential. Not a fan of this price action on the 1 minute. Don't like these upper wicks. Oh, we're still decreasing volume. Be careful. Be careful. I wouldn't be surprised if we had a market maker pattern where he popped above 532 and then got rejected. But it looks like we're having a double top. We're having increasing volume now on this doji candle on the 1 minute. I expect it to come down a little bit lower if this closes like this. Yes, this is Think or Swim, no spaces. This is TD Ameritrade's trading platform. This is free. There are no commissions and fees. There is that dump. There's that new higher high. Look for a sharp pullback here. Very light volume, very light cause. People are testing the short sellers. People are testing the buyers. When you see this really high wick with very low volume, market makers are just testing the sellers, testing the buyers. Looking to see what's going to happen if you pop it over that 533 level. Guys, thank you so much. We've gained 10 followers or close to it today, or 10 subscribers on YouTube. Thank you so much. I am going to be posting out a lot more content on YouTube. Oh, you didn't catch it. It said if you can read the chat above, it's that, but if not, it's this. That is the AI. It's a crypto. They don't have a coin yet, so they're just doing NFTs, but they are looking to release a crypto soon, within the next few months. So you want to get in early because you can use these NFTs to get this crypto already. You can use it to you can train it. You can stake it for coins, for the actual token. Thank you guys for the follow. Right now, I'm not a fan of anything. We might have a nice red to green move on TOMZ. Let's see what happens last time it gaps up. If it gaps up significantly. I don't really see anything. Gapped up here, ran. Let's go and look back here. Gapped up, ran, gapped down, ran, gapped up, ran, gapped up, ran, pulled back. So we got to be careful. I mean, I don't really see much. Oh, this is gapping up for sure. I don't see much. Just like we got to be careful and not really. We have TOMZ again. We have increasing volume on this doji. Let's see if we can get a higher low here. Nice pullback. And then see if we can hold this level. I want to get above $2 and then have a nice higher low. Thanks. I was on earlier, but was working. Hey, it's all good. I'm glad you're here. Thank you so much for stopping in. And if you guys don't want to do the research, again, on YouTube or on TikTok for this company, you can just follow me here on YouTube, and I will be making a video. Thank you for that great info. Thank you so much for stopping in. I really appreciate it. Again, I'm trying to provide as much value as I can for you guys. Any questions you guys have, I'm not going to hold back the answer because I'm selling something or what. I'm not selling really anything. If you want to come join the live, if you want to come join the community at Apple Day Trading, that's your guys. That is not my my goal. I mean, that's not my goal. I'm here just give you guys information and value, whatever I can. So any questions, anything, let me know. Yep, I'm not a fan of this CYAD just because these upper wicks, it's a little scary. Let's go ahead. How's everyone training experience so far with the new topic? Now, I'm not really a fan of anything right now, guys. We're just kind of sitting on our hands. Again, we are only 30 minutes into market open. We have plenty of time to sit here and chill. Again, I'm not a huge fan of might be an inverse head and shoulders pattern on the 1 minute. It's not a head and shoulders pattern, excuse me. It's not the cleanest, but it is still what traders are going to be watching for ISPC. Let's go ahead and look at our scanners. We have UCL. Not a fan. Pullback, we made a new high. Pulled back, rug pull. So, I mean, not a fan. Is there any news? No, I don't see any news. We have CYAD. TOMZ, not a fan. Higher low here, increasing volume. Might start to get some reversal here. Let's see. Let's go and look to. I'm going to go and enter with a small position here. I'm going to look to scale in as this continues to move. I want to see this back up to potentially VWAP. I'm risking an intraday low. This breaks an intraday low. I'm cutting my loss. It's going to be a small loss, but why do the upper wicks scare you on ISPC? These scare me because every single time we come up into this area, we get rejected and pull back every single time. Since these upper wicks, it happened 3 times in this area. One pop, pull back, one pop, pull back, one pop, pull back. That scares me, and that's why. Because look, we just dumped right there. When you see the upper wicks, you see the psychology of the market. We pop, traders, buyers bring it up, pull back. Would you consider buying in a PTN at the bottom? I do like this increasing volume pullback. This increasing volume doji candle. That is what I like to see that. But for me to get it up here, it's just not moving quick enough for me to take it. I would rather take TOMZ or, which one do I have? TOMZ right now. I want to see this hold this level. If this breaks a new low, then I'm going to take a small loss. But I'm going to just wait and see if we can get that reversal here. I'm not a fan of this price action where we're just kind of moving sideways and down. But if we crack the 90, I could see us back up to VWAP here. Come back and retest. Let's see if we can get some bullish reaction. If we do break this intraday low and break the 50 SMA, then I'm going to cut my loss. Thanks. No problem. No problem. No problem. Yeah. Any questions you guys have? Anything? Where can you buy? So right now, with this project, it's only on OpenSea. Now look up that on OpenSea, and then you will find their NFT. And then you can get it, and you can invest in it, and then you can hook it to your MetaMask, and then it will be connected to their website, and then you can train it, and then you can do everything you want. You can interact with it. We have a pivot low. I'm not a huge fan of it. I mean, if we start to crack this level, I think I might scale in at 92 again. But I want to see some buyers start to step in now. I want to see buyers start to take this. Can't believe somebody with a Rick and Morty mouse pad got more money than me, bro. This mouse pad, yeah, it is. Let me. If Rick and Morty, guys, I love Rick and Morty. I don't know what you guys are talking about. Here it is. Peace among worlds, and it's them flipping them off. I've had this mouse pad forever. It's almost nostalgic now. I've had this mouse pad even before I started trading or doing anything. I had this when I started when I originally built this for this computer, for a gaming computer, but now I really don't game on it too much. Down for making money, brother. I will. I try. I want to see some buyers start to step in here. Oh, if we break this low, I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna take this small loss here. I've risked less than 10 cents on this play. I'm gonna go and put a hard stop in the system because I am going to if we can get price to make a higher low with the stochastic making a lower low, that would be ideal. That would be ideal. We have big sellers at 88. Big sellers at 88. I want to see these guys start to get taken out. We have some selling pressure. Again, I only went in with a very, very small position because I didn't get the confirmation that we were going to continue higher. That is the beauty of scaling in. Guys, should I risk below this? We made that low. We did not make a low. Let's see if we make a low here. If we make a low, I'm cutting it. Decreasing volume, so I am going to move this below the 50 SMA. I'm willing, just move it down a couple cents, but I want to see us bounce off this 50 SMA. If we do not bounce off the 50 SMA, then we will most likely continue lower, so I am looking for a nice 50 SMA bounce on the 5-minute. And we've had decreasing volume on this candle. My stops are at 183. I might get filled here. My stops are at 183. Very light volume. I might get stopped out here. There's a potential. I want to see this get back above the 50 SMA and close. I want to see this get back above the 50 SMA and close. I want to see buyers start to step in here. I think it's still going down. Yes, it is going down. That's why I have my stop below if it bounces off the 50 SMA. And I only went in with a starter position. Nothing big. Nothing big at all. Just because, again, if it didn't go in my direction, I take a small loss and I scale into my winners. So my winners have more shares per, between my losses, if you understand what I mean. See, now we're above the 50 SMA. If we close above this 50 SMA, that's what I want to see. I want to see us close above this 50 SMA. With increasing volume, if we do that, I might look to take another, or start to scale in a little bit more. I want to see this back to the 20 EMA, potentially back to this trend line. Let's see if we can get this. Now we're getting that bullish reaction. I also want to see the stochastic start to pop. I have the hard stop in the system. Let's go ahead and look at everything else. Not a fan of really anything else right now. There's nothing that I'm watching besides this. My stops are pretty tight on this play. I'm risking 9 cents. We now have around 100,000 more shares traded on this candle with increasing volume. I think buyers are looking to take this now. Since we have this increasing volume with not much of a pullback on the 3 candles right here, I do think we're going to see a more bullish reaction. We have a big buyer at 184. So we take him out, I will be taken out as well. We have some big sellers in the area as well, which is not what I wanted to see, which is unfortunate, but it looks like we might be continuing lower. But I'm sticking with my trade plan. I'm not going to cut it just in case it does continue to move. Right now, the intraday low is at 184. I want to see this close back above the 50 SMA. We have 2 minutes left. Oh, new gifter. Thank you so much for the gift. I didn't even see a gift. I got filled out. It's okay. There it is, guys. I got filled out for a small loss. Only around a $20 loss. Nothing crazy. And I still have plenty. I was thinking I got in at 93 risk. That was 4%, but I only put in around a sixth of my position. So I still have plenty of time. Plenty of time. Which is okay. Let's go ahead and look for more opportunities here. Might have a nice opportunity off this trend line for CYAD, TOMZ. There was the dump lower, broke that 50 SMA. Not a fan. We've ISPC pumping up now. Let's see what happens. I mean, we don't really have anything that's kind of moving that's taking the trader's attention. We have PTPI. What's going on with PTPI? Oh, I like this a lot. I like this a lot on the 1 minute as well. I like this a lot on the 1 minute. PTPI. Broke that low, increasing volume on the 5 minute. Not a fan. We might see a bigger pullback here. Let's see where we can pull back to the high to the low. I want to see us pull back to around 61.8, or ideally we'll hold 3, but excuse me. What are you listening to? Right now I'm listening to country music and Josh Howerton with Alpha Day Trading. He's the head leader and mentor inside of Alpha. Thank you for the rose. Thank you for the rose. I really appreciate it. Guys, right now I'm not seeing anything. Not seeing anything. There's we're starting to get some buyers though. Starting to get some buyers. This increasing volume on this candle is giving us a little bit of buying pressure. But let's see if it can overpower the selling pressure. Rivian's back down at $100. I told you guys not to buy it until it drops below 100. CYAD. Let's see if we can get this. Let's see if we can get this bounce off this trend line. If we do not, I will most likely. I think we could see it dump for a little bit more. Market is trash right now for sure. 100%. It is not good. The market is trash. Oh, TOMZ. Oh, we might get that bullish engulfing candle. We're getting that movement here. But I'm not a fan. LGBN, ISPC. Guys, nothing is really hitting my scanners that I like. All right, let's see. I mean, it's unfortunate. Not really seeing anything. TOMZ, LGB. No, I'm not. I'm not liking anything at the moment. Josh is up $563 in the day. Do I think Lucid is still a good buy right now? Bounce off the trend line, which is what I like to see. Nice bounce. I mean, we've decreasing volume pullback. I think it does have room lower, probably a little bit more. But I do think that Lucid is a good buy. I'll wait for a potential bottom and a potential reversal. If you're looking to buy, I would not buy right now though. Unless you're looking to day trade it, then you have to look at a different time frame. But right now, I'm looking at just the daily. The daily does look like we do have room lower. We're very close to the low today. You don't want to catch a falling knife. Dude, I think it's do you swing trade? No, I do. I swing trade very, very little. I don't swing trade barely. TOMZ. Josh is now up $760 on the day. Good, Josh. Good. Josh is up $900 in the day. Good stuff, Josh. Good shit. DIDI, let's look. Increasing volume on this candle might be a good potential reversal play. I wouldn't catch this. I mean, we're at a new low. I'm not a fan of that. I would wait for a bottom if you're looking to swing trade or potentially scale into it. We have TOMZ, LGVN, choppy, and ISPC really choppy. So right now, I think right now CYAD is our top stock to watch. We don't have any really. Let's go ahead and get our let's go ahead and get a public percent gainers. We have LGVN that's up. We have MRVL that's up. We have PTPI. This is also a good one. I don't know what we have PTPI. I gotta keep that on watch. Okay, we have FNGD. FNGD is a good one. The volume's not there though. It's only 53% of the volume. Let's see how it looks if I move my watch list like this. Like, and I'll adjust them a little bit more, but we have the gainers. We have our large caps. our mid caps, and we could also add our swing trading if we want as well. So let's go ahead and add one. We have a watch list. Let's go ahead and pop detached gadget. Time and sales detach, because I do want time and sales if I can. So we got our swing trades, our crypto, our large caps, top gainers for the day, and let's go ahead and adjust this. Do you guys like the way that it's set up so you can see what my watch list is? My watch list is on YouTube. PTPI fell off. Yeah. Well, hey, no, I mean, it didn't really fall off. We're just kind of consolidate. I mean, we're pulling back a little bit. A potential bull flag, maybe a nice inverse head and shoulders pattern, maybe to come. Is there any news? I don't see any news though, which is unfortunate. Excuse me. Hello, Rob. How are you? Hey, I'm doing good. How are you doing? Right now, I haven't made a single trade on the day. I want to see this come back and hold this level at potentially $3. PTPI fell. This is on PTPI. LGVN, not a kit. CY, yeah, right now CY80. Right now, I think PTPI has the most potential. We have FNGO. Not a fan of that. Looking for that to pull back. So we have PTPI right now currently. Yeah, there we go. I kind of like this. It kind of oh, I can actually put my times and sales right here. So let's see if this can hold this level. I want to see it come back and test 3. I want to see it come back and test 3. I want to see it come back and test this $3 level. Come back and test it before you pop. I want you to test it. No? That's fine. I mean, I want you to come back and test it. I know you want to. Then we could have an inverse head and shoulders pattern. Or, yeah, inverse head and shoulders pattern. If we come back and retest around 304, here we go. Here we go. I might look to start scaling in a little bit. Let's see what happens. Your stops have to be below this previous low. Right now, you're risking 6%, a little bit too much for what I want. I want to risk around 4% when it comes down. When it comes down, there it is. It's starting to come down. I'm going to go ahead and I'm actually going to go ahead. I'm going to wait just a little bit. I'm going to give it a little bit of time. Here's this pullback. PTP, I'm going to go ahead and get in here with just a very small position so far. See if we can get this to start to pop up here. What is the best entry level? It depends what you're trying to do. For my strategy, my plan, my entry level is between 3 and 305. That is my entry levels that I am currently looking to scale into. I want to see us crack back up to 330. Crack up to 330. We could see this back up to 350 potentially. We have a 350. Once we hit that 330 level, I mean, yeah, we really don't have much resistance until 330. We start to crack. Let's see increasing volume now on this doji candle. I do like this. I'm going to go in with another 100. I'm going to look to scale in more and more into this position. We have an inverse head and shoulders pattern. We're starting to get this. Let's see if we can make a pivot. Let's see if we can make this low here. I want to see increasing volume now. There we go. There we go. Let's start to move. Let's start to move. My cost base is at 305. My cost basis is 305. I want to see it start to crack. Coming down, we're back at 305. Very light volume on this candle. Looks like we're about to build up. Looks like we're building up on this trend line. I want to get confirmation if we break over, I like this decreasing volume pullback. Which platform? This is a Think or Swim TD Ameritrade's trading platform. It's free and it has no commissions or fees. Could be a nice bull flag here. Could be a nice bull flag. If we start to crack 310, that's what I'm going to start. I'm going to scale them with a little bit more. That would have been a great dip trade right there. That would have been a great dip trade. Let's see us hold this level. Let's see us hold the. Let's see us hold VWAP. I want to see us hold VWAP here and the 9 EMA. I want to see us get squeezed back up to around 330. I want to see us get squeezed back up to 330. If this candle closes with a little bit of a volume, but I don't like that price action. There's the dump. I might look to flatten it here if we crack this low. Might look to crack it here if we see this low. This very light volume. I want to see us get back above that $3 level. I want to see us get back above that $3 level. If this, I want to see this close with a smaller spread. This candle with the smaller spread. We have 20 seconds left. Let's see if buyers can start to take it. We have a lot of selling pressure right now. A lot of selling pressure. We're getting some buying. Buying is starting to come in. We're starting to get some buyers. I want to see this close above this $3 level. If we can, that would be ideal. A lot of buying. They were back above. We're back above. Let's see if we can get a bullish reaction here. Risking a little bit more. That might be a little bit risky, but stops are below this intraday low. Stops are at 190. Stops are at 190. Let's see if we can get this bullish reaction off this level. Oh, not a fan of that. Not a fan of that. Might look to take it out here. Cracking this level. Not a fan. Let's see this hold this level. I want to see this hold this previous low at 190, at 290. I like this decreasing volume pullback. I want to see buyers start to step in. We're getting some increasing volume with lower wicks. With lower wicks here. Let's see a bullish reaction off this Let's see it. I want to see this candle close back above VWAP on the 5-minute. The VWAP is currently sitting at 198. There we go. We're getting that bullish reaction. Let's see that movement. Let's see that volume start to step in here at 299. There's not much of a seller here. Let's see us crack this level at 299. Let's see us crack this level. I know you want to at 299. Come on. Josh is seeing a nice inverse, If we get a pivot low, I think I might go in and scale in with the rest of my position. There it is. There it is. Not the right volume that I wanted, though. Not the right volume. I want to start to see increasing volume on this candle. If we start to see increasing volume on this candle, I might go ahead and take the rest of my position. Let's see what happens here. Let's see if we can get this popping off. PTPI, yes. It is PTPI. You guys can go ahead and come over to the YouTube if you want to watch me trade. But I think this might be the last trade of my day, because if this is a losing trade, then I hit my max loss of $50. There, I want to see this close now above VWAP. I want to see this close above VWAP. Lux, if we crack, I might look to start scaling out because I'm starting to see maybe a possible descending triangle pattern, but I do think we have decreasing volume. I want to see volume start to step in within the next minute and pop this up and have this be a nice hammer candle. If this can close as a hammer candle, I will be bullish and still hold my position. What I do not want this to be is me holding a descending triangle for a break lower. There it is. There it is. There's that pop. Let's see if once we get some increasing volume, we're around 100,000 shares away. 100,000 shares away. We have some big sellers at 305. Let's see if we can take out these sellers at 305. Let's see if we can take out these sellers. We have 40 seconds left on this candle. Looking for the break and then a retest. Market is garbage day. Yes, indeed it is. 100,000 shares left. We have around 30 seconds left. Let's see if this can start popping. Here we go. Here we go. We're going to get that increasing in volume. Getting that increasing in volume. That's what I like to see. There's this pop. There's the pop. I didn't scale in with my whole position, but it's okay. We're going to keep holding this. I'm not going to scale in anymore here. I'm going to look to actually take some profits as it moves higher and higher and higher. I'm up $40 on this trade so far. My price is at 302. Let's see this hold. It doesn't come back and retesting. Let's see this hold now. Let's see if we come back and retest. I might look to scale in a little bit more for the break. Very light volume on the pullback. That's what I like to see. Didn't get in with my full position. Still only around half, which is unfortunate. I wanted to see a bigger pullback down to around 305, but I did not get that. It looks like we might continue to break here. It looks like we might continue to break. Let's see if this does. Let's see if this continues to break. 315. Let's see. Let's see. We're getting some volume on this doji candle, which is not what I wanted to see, but we did make a new high. We might see a small, slight pullback here. Let's see if we can get this. Let's see if we can get this. Where can we pull back? I think we're gonna pull back to around 302 for the potential pullback, maybe bull flag. We have decreasing volume on this candle. I want to see this start to move up here. Here's this volume start to come in now. Volume, increasing volume on the selling pressure, increasing volume. This is just going to be, let's see if we can have a nice pullback into this area. My stops are now below this previous low. It's break of 3. Let's see a nice pullback here. I think this is just coming back and retesting the trend line on the 1 minute. Let's go ahead and jump over to our charts and then get this. Let's go ahead and restore sells. So right now on TOMZ, I believe. Nope, it's CYAD. Nope, it's not. It's PTPI. I want to see this start to move up here. We have decreasing volume on this candle. That's what I like to see. Not liking this increasing volume doji candle. Not liking this increasing volume doji candle. I want to see this. I'm not really liking this. Let's see if this can start to bounce. If this doesn't start to bounce off VWAP here, I'm going to look to cut it. I am going to look to cut it. My entry is in a good spot, and I haven't gotten in with a full position, so it's okay. Right now, I'm risking my entries at 303, around 302. I'm risking right now around 4%, but I only have half of my position in. If it continues to move, I might scale into this. Let's see these buyers start to step in here. Now, I'm not getting confident in this. I think I'm going to just leave it at this 450. I don't think I'm going to scale in at all. How many did you buy at 302? I have 450 shares at 302 right now. There's this bullish reaction. Let's see if we can break 315. If we break 315 on this candle, I think we're going to see a lot of volume start to step in. Let's see this level. Come on, I know you want to crack it. I know you want to crack it. We have some sellers at 315. Like, come on, let's see it. 315, let's do it, my man. Let's go. Come on, pop 315. 315, if we pop that, we're coming up to 320. I know you want to. I know you want to. There was this nice retest. Let's see it come back to 330. Come on, 315 right here. Boom, there's the crack. There's the crack. Come up to 320. Come up to 320. Oh. Not liking that. Not liking that. Not liking that at all. I'm going to go ahead and take 50 there just because I'm not a huge fan of these upper wicks. In this seller, not a huge fan. I'm just selling more because I think it's going to dump now. Hit this level, did not get that increasing volume. Now we're starting to get that increasing volume on a doji candle on the 5-minute. If this closes like this, I would be getting scared. I sold at the bottom. I'm going to go and flatten my position there. I'm going and flattening my position there. That was not the best. I mean, we did cover that loss. That was a $33 trade. Again, if I covered at the top, I would have made a lot more. Didn't get the explosive movement that I wanted just because the volume is only 50% there. So I will take that trade. That's put me back in the green for today. So if I'm back in the green, green's green. Green is green. Again, up only like $12. Nothing crazy. Did not like these upper wicks. Did not like that increasing volume to the downside. So, oh man, this is way better than TikTok. Yes, it is. TikTok it's hard to watch on TikTok. I have you can see what stock I'm watching. This is my today's watch list. Every single day, this is what I'll update. This is just the percent gainers off today. Then we have my large caps, crypto stocks, and potential swing trades. So yeah, that's what it win/L or W/L. That's my watch list. Way better quality. Yes. Thank you. And go ahead and actually hit that subscribe button. Let's go so you can continue to come back. Not a huge fan, and I'm glad I need to turn him down just a little bit. Give me a sec. Right now, I'm not a huge fan of anything. We had that PTPI, PTPI trade. It still would have been a green trade, and I kind of got scared out. But right now, that increasing volume doji candle did scare me, and this decreasing volume also scared me as well. But I would have been a green trade. That would have been a green trade. It's absolutely mooning right now. Break over 20. Break over 20 here. Let's see what happens. Man, that would have been a great trade. I would have been up a lot more money. Just dump. Just check your Alpha Discord. I'm enjoying live trades. Helps a lot. Yes, thank you, thank you. Now, I'm not really too. The Discord is just not very active. I'm not active in it very much anymore. Because I'm more active in alpha day trading, and soon there will be guys. That was a great trade. I cut it way too early. We would have been up a lot. We would have been up like $100 or so, like right there. It's unfortunate. These upper wicks were scaring me with these increasing volumes, so I'm glad I took it out. I just need to work on scaling out of my positions. I'm working on scaling in. Now I need to work on scaling out. LOL, crying over PTP. Yeah, too early. Too early. It's unfortunate. I mean, I did catch this move from this slight move from here to here, break this downtrend, but I didn't. I wasted a little bit too. I was too early. I cut it too early, which is unfortunate. But again, it's okay. What is your name on YouTube? Stock Talk Trades, no spaces, or just come over to my bio and hit the YouTube icon. I have CYAD. TOMZ, not a fan of anything. LGVN, that rug pull. ISPC and PTPI. Right now, PTPI was the gainer. I'm not a huge fan of this song. Okay, yes, thank you. Guys, on TikTok, come over to YouTube. It is a much better experience. You can just see my screen so much better. You can see what stocks I'm watching. You don't have to ask me for what I'm watching. You can see it. Excitement and build up. Yeah, I know. It's unfortunate. But hey, that's about trading. What I learned from that trade. If you don't learn something from each trade, you should be studying it. This trade right here, I cut it a little too early. These upper wicks are scaring me. Not close back above, close back below. This is a market maker pattern. We have the first high, break above, close below, pull back before we pump. This happens on all time frames for every single. It's just psychology. I should have known that, but now I saw that on the 1 minute pullback. My stop was still below this low, and even if I move my stop to break even, I mean, I wouldn't have got a below 3. I wouldn't have gotten stopped out. But now, when we have increasing volume with this higher wick, that is not something that I want to see. All right, guys, I think we're going to cover some I think I'm about to jump on the mic for alpha day trading. I'm going to keep my YouTube open. I don't know how long I'll keep my TikTok open, but we're going to be talking crypto. We're going to be talking this new NFT project that I'm looking at, and new metaverse project right now nobody is talking about. So you guys definitely want to come over to the YouTube if you're not already on TikTok, so you guys can get access to this information for this NFT. Now, this NFT / okay, I'm here. Awesome, guys. I think I'm going to call it. I mean, if I don't see really anything right now that's trading, I think I'm going to hop on the mic for alpha and here in the next half an hour or so. And we're going to talk crypto. Well, not really crypto. We're going to talk this one project that I've been doing a lot of research on. We're going to be going through my basically whole video on why I think that this is going to move and why it could be a potential big play. So if you guys are on YouTube, come over to TikTok, or if you are on TikTok, come over to YouTube. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you guys can stay up to date and get the real video when it comes out. Thank you guys for the subscribers. We've gained 11 subscribers or 12 subscribers today. Thank you so much. I'm trying to get to 1,000 by the end of the year, and I know we can do it. We are so close. We've CYAD, TOM, LGVNs, TOMZ. Good move coming. Check out ARDX. ARDX. I do like ARDX. Let's go now. Do you mean ETFs? No, I mean NFTs, non-fungible tokens. They are cryptocurrencies. They're the future. The way, like, I mean, break this previous high at $2. I mean, we have a gap. I mean, I'm actually going to maximize the sell so I can get a better understanding of it. I want to see us crack 205. This pre-market high. I want to see a nice pullback like we did here. I loaded at 155. Ooh, currently scalping. That's what I like to see. I'm not a huge scalper, but good for you, my man. Right now, I'm not really seeing anything set up too much. Oh, he's about to short. Oh, he's taking it now. Let's go ahead and jump over to the. Let's jump over to the 1 minute. Let's see if we can. Let's see if we can crack this wedge to the upside. Not a fan of these upper wicks. These upper wicks do scare me just a little bit. That's giving me a hint that we might fall down. Can you look? I can look at it later today if I go live, but right now I'm going to be trading. I'm trading, just trying to find a good opportunity. Oh man, we got 738 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. Thoughts on AMC? AMC broke. I think, yeah, 27. Oh my goodness. What happened to AMC going 100? Guys, I knew AMC wasn't going to drop like that. I knew AMC wasn't going to. Let's go ahead and clear this drawing set. We are now even below the 200 SMA. Just this was meant. This is gonna happen. I knew this was gonna happen. I knew, like, I would have, if we did start to bounce, I was gonna scale. I was gonna scale in, but that's not what happened. So I didn't. I never scaled in. Man, that's a little congested. Let's go back to the 5 minute. Guys, if it's hard to see on TikTok, come over to the YouTube. You can see it much clearer. There's the bounce off ADTX. Guys, we'd still be in the green here. I did sell it a little bit too early, but it's okay because we still made some money. Locking in at 27 would be safe. I mean, if you are short, I mean, I don't know. I mean, I don't anywhere can go. I mean, if you're cutting the trade, I mean, break this low of 26.70. I think we're going to continue lower. Yes, guys, I'm going to be posting a very, very, very in-depth video on this NFT project very, very soon. Because I'm not a fan of anything right now. It's just not something that I'm enjoying. We're just sitting here patiently, which is okay. That's all trading's about. I've made like 2 trades today. One of them I scaled in with only around 10%, so I only took a very small loss. And then I scaled in with the other one, made that money back, and is now in the green, barely, only up 12 bucks, nothing crazy. I didn't scale in with my position. I would have been up a lot more, would have been up around 40 or so, but again, not a lot more. But again, it's about base hits. It's about being consistent. That's the key. Now, if you focus on money when you're coming into trading, you're going to lose a lot of money. But if you focus on hitting consistent base hits and consistent winners and really, really good setups, excuse me, I'm going to grab a water real quick. You will be consistent as a trader. You just can't focus about the money. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. This isn't a business. You have to treat it as such. If you don't have, there's small businesses, you have marketing, you have outsourcing, you have everything that you need, the product, the supplies. This is the same thing, but you have scaling and position sizing, strategies. Everything is like a business. You have to constantly be thinking and innovating on each aspect of your business. And that's why day trading gets a bad rap, because people try it and they don't want to put in that work because they don't think it's a business. They just think of it as a way to make money. Man, that's unfortunate. PTPI is up at 330. Man, guys, that would have been a great trade. 340. Nice. That would have been a perfect trade. It's okay, guys. What platform is that? This is TDR Mayorchade's Think or Swim. Josh is up $1,300 in the day. Good for him. Guys, see, that's from the difference between this trade and what Josh's trade was, is that I scaled out a little too fast because I wanted the money. I didn't chase after the right setup, the right opportunity. I got greedy. My emotions, I had fear. So I was able to come out of that trade learning something about what I did wrong. What is your strategy? Patterns and price action and volume. Volume is everything. If the volume to me is more important than the price action. If the volume does not match for a pattern, for a strategy, then I will not take the trade. Now, the volume, it's hard for me, I can't cover everything in this video, in this live, but basically the the foundation of volume price analysis, or my strategy is, when you have, there's cause and effect. When you have the cause or volume, when you have a high cause, you should have a high effect, or the spread from open to close on each candle. Now, when you have a low cause and a low effect, like doji candles with very small price action, that's okay. That's how it should be. When you have high cause with low effect, really high volume on a doji candle, that is a sign that something is about to happen, either at the top of a downtrend or at the top or at the bottom of the bottom of a downtrend or at the top of a uptrend. What did you scalp this morning? I'm not really scalping. I'm not much of a scalper. But I mean, right now my only trades was on TOMZ, trying to get a bounce right here on this candle with this increasing volume doji off the 50 SMA. Did not get, and I got stopped out for a small loss. Then we had PTI for this inverse head and shoulders pattern with the break. Looking for this. Oh, well, it's here. I got in right about, for this one, I got in first shoulder, the head, and another shoulder. And then my stops were below this low, didn't get stopped out, and then we absolutely ripped. Now, I sold a little bit too early, sold up here at 317. Could have held it all the way up to 344. Thanks, bro, for answering my question. Hey, no problem. And if you want to, here, let me go ahead and actually show you. If you actually are interested, I'll actually turn on my camera for YouTube too, because this is the book that helped me the most. This book is a complete guide to volume price analysis. This covers everything you need to know. Without volume, no indicator, no price action, no pattern will work correctly. But if you have the correct volume for anything you want to do, this is the book. A complete guide to volume price analysis by Ann. You can't see it. There it is. Ann Colling. Pause it right now if you want to type this down or write this down. This book is absolutely amazing. And if you guys, so Alpha Day Trading is extending the Black Friday sale a couple of days. So if you guys want to get that sale, come over to the YouTube and I'll drop the coupon and the link. Plus, you'll be able to get a $500 course for free if you sign up for the yearly. Not really a huge fan of anything right now. We did have that PTPI trade, but it's unfortunate that it didn't go in our favor, or did go in our favor. I just scaled out a little bit too early. What's your primary strategy? That is it. Volume. Volume, 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 volume. It really depends. I trade a lot of, but if I have to see the volume. It's bull flags, downtrend breaks, inverse head and shoulders pattern. And then I see these patterns, and then I look, once I see these patterns, all I do is really look at the volume relative to the price action. Because the volume will tell me if a trade is going to go against me before it happens, if you know how to read it. Guys, if you want to get access to our, again, to Alpha chat room, go ahead and use that. Use that link, and then you can use this coupon for an extra 20% off on top of, or an extra, the yearly is already 30% off, but the Black Friday sale is an extra 20% off the yearly. So it's 50% off, plus you get a $500 course for free. Yeah, so use coupon code at checkout to get that extra 20% off. On the yearly. What is your YouTube channel? Stock Talk Trades, no spaces, or just use the link in my bio and hit the YouTube icon. Does PTPI have more potential for a small swing? Volume is still piling on. Very well could. What I'm worried about is this 5-minute candle. See how we have increasing volume on this cause is high. Now this spread is low. The effect is low because we have small, and that's scaring me for a potential move lower because we have that increasing volume on a doji candle or a shooting star candle. Thank you for the subscriber. I really appreciate it. Guys, we might be getting 20 subscribers. Let's try to get to 20 subscribers today. We need 5 more. Come over to the YouTube, get a great coupon, and also you can catch our crypto talk that's going to happen in the next 15 to 20 minutes. We're going to be talking about an NFT or metaverse project that has not pumped yet. This project nobody is talking about. So if you want to get access to that NFT project and or just the project in general, that could be the future, this metaverse project, come over to the YouTube and you can get access to it. I'm not going to be releasing it on the TikTok live. And we need 4 more people in the YouTube for me to... I'm interested in the metaverse a lot. Yes, this is the coin that has not pumped yet on the metaverse. Come over to... There's a project. Come over to the YouTube to be able to access it and get this... get the potential opportunity to get in early. I think we have more room lower for PTPI. We have high volume on this shooting star candle on the 1 minute and a high volume shooting star candle on the 5 minute. Facebook has made me rich. Yes, Facebook is also, they're not going to be the top metaverse coin. Facebook is, all they have is fucking censorship. And if it doesn't fit their narrative, censorship, stealing. So Facebook is definitely not going to be the top metaverse coin or top metaverse. It's going to be more of sandbox, or it's going to be run on, they're making a metaverse that is centralized. Nobody wants that. We want a decentralized metaverse. Now, so that's why Facebook is just fucking dog shit. And it also looks like we are making some good stochastic divergence, increasing volume, increasing price, lowering from the stochastic. And these candles and those shooting star candles, see, if you followed volume, you would have been able to get out at 330 and save that 10 cents. If it keeps coming down, you might be able to save more. Josh is showing us. Let's go ahead and I'm going to pull Josh up. He's going to show us the new alpha day trading website. Let's go ahead and take a peek at it. I've already looked at it. It's awesome. Let's go ahead and watch it. Can come over to YouTube. Oops, I need to actually. He's clearing his cache right now. Come over to YouTube and you guys can see it much better. We're partnered with Lightspeed, TradingView, Trade Ideas, FinViz. We're not just a Discord platform.
This is all set up. Yeah, chat room username, good.
This is like there's so many here. All the Alpha's videos.
I'm gonna show you a little sneak peek though. Check this out, guys. This is what I've been waiting for. This is what I've been waiting for. It's the silliest thing in the world. It's so silly, but this excites the shit out of me. I don't know why, but look, SPY. Oh, no. You gotta go SPY. And if you click the ticker, boom, you get a chart of the SPY. Ah! I don't know why I thought that was so cool, but it pulls up an interactive chart when you click on the ticker. You can actually chart here on the website. don't know why I thought it was cool. I was like, I want, and I'm gonna make this a little bit bigger. Like we're gonna make it bigger. But I thought that was cool. And then we added a Yahoo Finance search. You can search right here from the platform to Yahoo Finance and click search, and it's gonna take you right to Yahoo Finance as well, right from the search bar on the platform. But yeah, I don't know why, but I thought that I was like super excited about the whole charting aspect. You can just chart right here. You're like, someone types up a ticker, you're like, oh, okay, Bitcoin. Let's go ahead and pull this up real quick, and let's go look at Bitcoin real quick.
All right, all right.
All right, let's get you guys over. Let's test it today. Let's have some fun with it. Let's do this. And I want to stress test it too. Can you make it bigger? Yeah, I'm gonna make it bigger. Yeah, that's something I'm gonna do. Right, that chart, the interactive chart, I will make it fit the screen. Not fit the screen, but it'll be much bigger. So absolutely. And some of them don't pull up the right way. So we have some time.
There's so much opportunity. There's so much going on with the new chat, with the new platform that it's awesome.
A bunch of signups all at once. Number one, where you guys are going to be signing up at the same time. We could stress test it, make sure everything goes through properly. Get in the chat room, utilize the chat room, and see if we have any bugs today. And we're going to stress test the crap out of it. All right, so let's do this. Let me do this first. Let me log into my admin account and get the live stream imported, and then we'll set up your credentials.
CYAD is starting to get a bullish reaction now.
And I want you guys using it and abusing it to see if run into any issues.
The PPTI or PTPI, the volume price analysis would have saved you from 20 cents of loss. Oh, there it is. Lost connection for a sec. Sorry, guys. Again, guys, come on over to the YouTube. We're at 40 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. We need 4 more to hit 20 subscribers for today. Let me go ahead and actually turn off my desktop audio. What's the channel, my man? It is Stock Talk Trades, no spaces. Or you can go to my bio and then hit the YouTube icon. It'll take you right to my page. Then we're going to be talking about NFTs, crypto. What's the next big metaverse project? What's the next big NFT project? We're going to be that's what we are going to be discussing today. Stocks are better than my girlfriend's period. Damn. Yeah. Yep. It's unfortunate. The SPY down at 152. It's a young man game. Yes, it is. Hey, but I'm going to be covering everything in this live stream. So come on the YouTube, and also I'm going to be making a very, very in-depth video later today. So if you want to find out, I want to break down everything you need to know about the coin or the project, the NFTs, everything. So make sure to come over to the YouTube to actually get the access to it. I'm not going to be releasing it on TikTok. Oh yeah.
Yo, what's good, buddy?
Awesome, awesome, guys.
Use it. Fun. Click all the buttons. Go to all the pages.
Here we go.
And make sure the poll's working.
Bro, already sub. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. We're gonna be covering NFT Metaverse here in a sec. Thank you guys for the subscribers. We're at 742. Thank you guys. Thank you. Thank you.
Anybody else stream that we have in the future? So go ahead, yeah. Play around with it. Click all the buttons. Go to the video tab. Kind of take a mental note of anything that you see not working, like the search. I don't think the search is working right now. Yeah, I feel like the video search isn't working. So I know there are certain things that are still being worked on at this point in time, like the video search and how this filters. But again, just know that there is still development going on. This is being beta, right? This is beta. We're about 90% of the way complete. Just be mindful of that, okay?
Oh yeah, here we go. I like this.
Gotta make sure you insert the coupon. Right? If you don't insert the coupon, capital, right? Gotta be capitalized. Yeah, you have to do that. It's gonna take you around the page.
Cardano since 1. Yes, I would consider taking some profits on Cardano. I'm looking at PTPI right now at the moment. Right now, I'm not really seeing anything set up really too great. Where would you enter AMC? I would not. I'll wait for a bottom. We have ARDX looking like we could reverse here. I mean, excuse me, it looks like we could have a bull flag. Let's go ahead and look and see if we can capitalize on this bull flag. Let's see if we can go ahead and start scaling in here. Stops are below that previous low. Looking to crack this downtrend. Where could we go? I mean, we have room back to that previous high and then 205. Let's start scaling in. I want to see this decreasing volume, which is what we want to see. Now, if we start seeing increasing volume on a doji candle, I might look to buy more. And I'm only in with guys. Thank you. We got 20 subscribers today. Thank you so much. We're at 744. Can we make it 30? Can we make it 30 subscribers? What are we buying into? I'm looking at ARDX right now. Come over to the YouTube and you don't have to add, you can see my screen. You can see everything that I'm doing. I'm fully transparent. I show my P&L, what I'm doing, everything. My stops are 78, so right now I'm risking around 5 cents. I'm going to go ahead and cut it. I mean, if it does break that low. Again, I only went in with around a tenth of my position. So I'm risking very, very little. Again, we might be cracking this low. Let's see what happens if we crack this. We have a big buyer at 79. Crack 79, we're most likely, yep, there it is, I'm out. Small loss, still green on the day, but I lost around, again, only $2 on there because I only went in with, I only scaled in and my stops was pretty tight. That's the beauty of scaling in, guys. PTP, not a fan of really anything at the moment. This is TOS. Yes, this is Think or Swim. ZNGA. Might be looking for a reversal. We have the first head or the first shoulder, the head, and a potential another shoulder coming. An inverse head and shoulders pattern. We go ahead and take a measured move from the bottom to the neckline. That will bring us, that gives us a price over around 575. I like ADTX, I think. ARDX. Maybe a nice another downtrend break. Let's see. This could be a bull flag or an ABC pattern. I want to see volume start to step in because this increasing volume on this candle is a little bit scary. Guys, again, come over to the YouTube. You can see my screen much better. And plus, I'm going to be ending the live stream on TikTok. When we start talking about crypto, this new metaverse project, this new NFT project that I think has massive potential. The YouTube is Stock Talk Trades, no spaces. All right, let's see if this can start to reverse here. Thank you guys for the follow on TikTok. Thank you for the follow. I'm trying to get to, now we got 20 subscribers today alone. Thank you so much. Do you think we can, let's try to get to 30. Let's do it. Give me 1 second. Alrighty. Which wallet is recommended to buy NFTs? I would recommend MetaMask. Do you trade US 30? No, I do not. MetaMask is a good wallet. Where? Excuse me. Thank you. No problem. Give me. I need to respond to this text. All right, all right. I lost connection. I should be back. There we go. Lost connection. Sorry, but how long you've been trading for 3 years? I haven't really been serious about it for. I've only been serious about trading for the past maybe 8 months, but I've been trading for 3 years, or just about 3 years. But I've really only gotten serious in the past, again, only 8 months. We are basically break even today. We're up $10, nothing crazy. Again, I took my profits a little bit too early on PTPI. That is unfortunate that we weren't able to capitalize on that whole move. That would have been around 50 cents or around 12% on my capital. I got in at 302, ran all the way up to 304. That was 13, 14%, but I did scale out. These upper wicks were scaring me, and I scaled out too much. So I did learn something. I learned that I need to be a little bit more patient. There, fear in the market, or the fear, it scared me 100%. So, which is okay. I mean, I learned something. That's all that matters. Now, if you guys again come over to the YouTube, this project, this NFT, this metaverse project is absolutely insane. I've read pretty much the whole white paper, done my education. This is a project nobody is talking about right now. No, absolutely nobody. Thank you guys for the subscribers. We're at 745. Let's try to get to 750 today. Let's try to get to 750 today. I know we can do it. Why don't you trade Forex? It's more money in that. I mean, it's really about just your strategies. You can make the same amount of money in every single market like this. You just got to have a good strategy. And I just like trading equities. That's what I know. Let's see if this can start to maybe have a bottom for PTPI. We have ARDX. Maybe again, this could. Let's look to see if this can break the downtrend. I want to see another touch with a third touch, and then a higher low for the break back up to 190. True, true. What do you think about Bitcoin? In Salvador, I'm originally from there, and I pay with Bitcoin. So, first of all, I think paying with Bitcoin is absolutely garbage, because it takes if you pay in Bitcoin, it's going to take the company it's going to take like an hour or so for it to actually go through. Bitcoin, it's just the first adoption, and soon it's going to be just coins that validate almost instantly. There's the dump with ADRX. It looks like there was a big seller, big buyers. Let's see it looks like if we start to stack, it looks like we're going to get halted. Halt level down is at 143. But we have big buyer that's not able to get in. And we have a big seller. Let's see it's stacking a little bit. Let's see. Okay, but we are getting a bullish reaction. We're getting a lot of buyers in here. A lot of buyers at this level. All right, guys, I think I am done trading for today. I'm going to go ahead and Let's see if we can start talking about this. Thank you guys for the follow on TikTok. Again, when I start talking about this new crypto NFT metaverse project, I will end the live stream on TikTok. So make sure to come over to YouTube. Right now we have around 9 people on YouTube. We've gained around 25 subscribers today. Thank you guys so much. And what ticker are you trading right now? I'm not really trading anything. Nothing's really setting up. It is a little slow. Nothing's really stealing the traders. So right now I am done for the day because I'm basically break even up like $10.
Set a date and time. It'll be free. It'll be a meet and greet. I could see you guys and introduce myself to you. Maybe we can trade live for a couple days during the seminar. Anything like that. Just run out. And I will for a seminar. You guys want to do it?
Woo! Guys, Doge to the moon. Yes, Doge to the fucking ground, actually. I think Dogecoin's going to 0. Shiba's going to 0. And fuck. All these shit coins. Man, who is that fucker? Stop trolling in here. Got 18 people in here. We had a max viewership of around 100. Thank you guys so much. I think this was my max viewership today. We did absolutely amazing on TikTok, absolutely amazing on YouTube. Again, we are still pumping out great content. I'm not going to be releasing this project that I have high expectations for on TikTok, so you have to come over to the YouTube for it. We are going to have a nice lesson on it. I'm going to take you guys everything through it in my video. Basically my video in depth. I'll let you guys know here on TikTok when I release the video, but I will not be releasing the coin here on TikTok, or the project, I should say. And we are covering the new platform inside of Alpha. Drop some big on Gala. Tell me, please, what you think. Is Gala? I'm not too sure if Gala is a crypto or a stock. Could be. I think I've heard it as a crypto. So. You lied about the number. What number? No, it said we had it. When I said it, it said we had 9 to 10. Now it's at 4. We had a max. We popped out at 10. You said over 10. Well, I didn't lie. We had over. We did. Well, when I said it, we had 9 to 10. Well, we did have 10. That was a couple minutes ago when I was saying it. Just pulled back. Mine might have been a little bit delayed because I am running. Again, I'm running OBS. I'm running 4 different windows on Chrome. I'm running Discord, Spotify. Again, my trading platform, everything. I have multiple different tabs open. I think I have like 17 different tabs open on my Chrome. So it might be a little bit delayed for me. But yeah, I wasn't trying to lie about it. Right now we have 4. Taking a beating today. Red, a drop. Yeah, it is. It is red. But we have gained a lot of subscribers today. I really want to appreciate you guys for that. And right now I'm just waiting for Josh to kind of ready to start this new this crypto. I'm ready to start talking about crypto. AMC. Wait for dump. You know, guys, let's go ahead and start asking this crypto what. Let's go ahead and ask it some questions. It's all good. I learned. Cool. Thanks. Good business. Hey, thank you for stopping in. I appreciate it. And again, any questions you guys have, I will answer them. Anything. I want to provide as much value as I can. I'm going to go ahead and exit out of my trading platform. We're going to go ahead and actually get started on this crypto project. Now, so let's go ahead and actually bring it over. Thank you guys for the follow. Let's go ahead and actually start talking to one of these NFTs. So let me go ahead and actually bring you over, and we'll go ahead and actually start talking about this project. What do you guys want to do? What NFT do we want to talk to today? You know, let's do a pudgy penguin. Let's talk to this pudgy penguin. Let's see what he's all about. Let's go ahead and mute that. I'll go ahead and
those are
add that. We'll go ahead and pause Josh. Select NFT, and let's go ahead and actually have a conversation with him. Go ahead and type my name so he knows what to call me.
Good morning. Welcome to Noah's Ark, the world's first intelligent metaverse.
The Rock.
I'm an
I'll do The Rock
intelligent
next.
NFT, or an INFT. Our conversations help me get smarter, but if you'd like to actively participate in my evolution, you need to own my INFT and train me. So, what would you like to talk about?
Where will Bitcoin be at the end of the year? Guys, let me know what questions you want me to ask on YouTube and TikTok.
That's a very good question. At the moment, it's at 500 per coin. If I were
That's
you,
wrong.
I'd buy a bit of Bitcoin and hang on to it. Let's see how far it goes.
Why are you telling me that? Do you know that it's going to pump?
Oh, I'm not saying it's going to rise dramatically, but I'd keep an eye on it. Things happen fast in crypto, and you never know what's around the corner.
You are correct, but what do you think about VXV? Oh, it didn't get it.
We're trying to keep our focus on CryptoKitties right now. As you know, one of the main features is the blockchain game
Every one of
aspect,
these NFTs
but our
will have
vision
a different
extends beyond
answer and different
CryptoKitties,
voice.
which is why we are also developing Arc for iOS and Android. Thank you.
Let's go ahead and select the rock. Let's see what the rock has to say. Where is this rock? Oh, there's a dog, a smoking dog. Or cat, excuse me. I don't know where the rock is. It'll be around here. There's so many in here that we can pick from. And then you can upload your own. Here we go. We're getting close to it. Here it is. Let's go ahead and talk with this one. Enter my name.
Good morning. Welcome to Noah's Ark, the world's first intelligent metaverse. I am an intelligent NFT, or an INFT. Our conversations help me get smarter, but if you'd like to actively participate in my evolution, you need to own my INFT and train me. So,
Okay.
what would you like to talk about?
What do you think of Ethereum because you are built on top of it?
I am glad that you have come to know about Ethereum because the value of Bitcoin is rising rapidly and it has become the currency of choice for all online transactions. It is a huge achievement for the team of developers who invented it. As such, Ethereum is in the best position to keep growing in the market.
How would you say that? Ethereum's gas fees are stupid high and it takes forever for it to actually validate.
Not all smart contracts are coded correctly, and that is why it causes the gas issue. If you want to speed up the process, then you need to use the Lightning Network Protocol. Also, Ethereum is on the verge of creating a decentralized autonomous organization, which can make every transaction free.
That is big. What do you think Ethereum will be at the end of the year?
Thank you for interacting with me.
Didn't get it in time. I'm interacting with NFTs. I can go ahead and talk again. If you guys, this is the project that I'm talking about. This is an AI that we're talking about. It learns from every single interaction that we have with it. Go ahead and type up what questions you want. Anything. I'll ask this rock. I'm gonna go ahead and actually pick somebody else and ask what they think will be I'm just gonna pick a random one. Just kind of click randomly. I'm not even looking at it. And this one, Queen Elizabeth. Let's go and see what she has to say.
Good morning. Welcome to Noah's Ark.
And you guys can see that every single NFT has a different personality and a different voice.
An NFT or an INFT. Our conversations help me get smarter, but if you would like to participate in my evolution, you can purchase my INFT on OpenSea. So, what would you like to talk about?
What will the price of Ethereum be at the end of the year? Thank y'all for the likes.
Ethereum is the currency of this network and has been since its inception. If you need to know the value of your NFT, ask me when you purchase it, and I will provide you with the current market rate.
What is the meaning of life?
What is meaning of life?
Do you know what the meaning of life is? What is our purpose?
It is simply to be happy.
Now, some people can't access that. How can people become more happy? This is not a joke at all.
Everyone has
AI.
free will. Some choose to be unhappy. Others choose to live happily. It depends on their preferences. Thank you for interacting.
I don't know why you think this is not AI is real. This is an AI. We're literally talking to an AI. Every single one of these NFTs will have a different response to what we ask it. They will have a different personality, a different way of talking, a different voice. All AI generated, and they learn from us. They learn from each interaction. So I don't know why you're saying it's a joke. This is the future. This is a metaverse that is going to be running off AI. It's like having a little civilization on your phone. Again, let's go ahead and see. I'm going to give... Let's go ahead and actually... You're the joke, Todd. Oh, man. Throwing shade. Throwing shade. I love it. Let's go ahead and get this guy. Again, what are some questions? Talk to the cat? I'll talk to the cat. Let's get this cat up here. Where is it? It's a smoking cat. It's not just any normal cat. Type up some questions. Type up some questions as well. Any question.
Good morning. Welcome to Noah's Ark, the world's first intelligent metaverse. I am an intelligent NFT or an INFT. Our conversations help me get smarter, but if you'd like to actively participate in my evolution, you need to own my INFT and train me. So, what would you like to talk about?
What was before the Big Bang? If you guys want to know what this project is, come over to the YouTube. I'm going to be covering everything you need to know about it in today's YouTube video. Shit, he caught all that.
Yes. There is no evidence of any type of life having existed before the Big Bang. Right.
Are you sure? So what created the Big Bang? What catalyst caused that explosion?
This is one of the questions that still remain unanswered. Some scientists speculate that the universe was originally a singularity, which then exploded outwards in all directions, leaving behind our known universe.
What is a singularity?
Singularity refers to a moment in space-time when all physical laws break down, leading to a state of infinite density and gravity, theoretically causing the collapse of the entire universe into a single point. Thank you for
That's crazy. What happens after you use up your 9 lives? Let's see. Let's ask him. He puffing that shit
Good
like no
morning.
tomorrow.
Welcome to Noah's Ark, the world's first intelligent metaverse.
Man.
I am an intelligent NFT or an INFT. Our conversations help me get smarter, but if you'd like to actively participate...
This project is... Hold on, guys. Give me 1 sec. I'm going to go ahead and get Josh Howard in here. I'm actually going to start going live. Oh, ready to join? Allow. Join stream. I think
This
I'm
is where
live
your
right now.
P&L is. A lot of unused space. Yeah, so I'm just doing this for now because I'm bringing Cole on. So this is not the way it's going to be. So the only reason I have it like this is I'm going to bring Cole on. And you're going to see his camera, and we can toggle between streams, his screen to my screen. So yeah, normally it'll be the same setup. It'll be the same way. You're not going to have a lot of this unused space.
Yeah, guys, I'm going to go ahead and end the TikTok live here. If you want to come over to YouTube, you can get access to this.
Yeah,
to
the avatar,
project.
we have that notated. The avatar button's not working right now.
I will let you guys know how this project works.
The avatar
everything you need to know about it.
Working. I have that written down. Avatar link doesn't work.
Everything you need. So come over to the YouTube. Thank you guys so much for stopping in, and I will see you guys in the next one. I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. I might go live later today. Thanks for the laugh. Hey, no problem. That's fine. If you don't know anything about NFTs, you probably would laugh at this and not.
You probably have to enable your webcam. Let me do this. Is the first time we've done this, so let me.
Stock Talk Trades is my YouTube channel.
Make
just
sure
go to my link in bio and click the YouTube icon.
Let me change my.
Thank you so much. Peace.
Audio output real quick.
Oh.
Let me change my audio output. And my input's good, so we'll change that.
All right, let's get into this.
Does it sound better now?
Ooh.
Or is it echoing? It's probably echoing right now inside the chat.
Yeah, it is very echoey. Sorry, guys. Let me turn off my desktop audio for a sec.
Can you hear light echo? Yeah, that's what I assumed there's an echo.
There's a big echo right now, but give me a second. Hello?
Let me try something else real quick. Give me 1 second. Talk again, Cole.
Hello. I'm still getting a little echo here. Hello.
I'm gonna reset my my speaker. I don't even hear Cole right now. So 1 sec. Let me see if I can hear.
All right. We are getting into this live, this project. We have 9 viewers currently. If you guys haven't already, hit that subscribe button.
I hear him now, but my speaker's not working.
Yep, it is a little echoey. I am trying to fix that right now. We're about to start up this crypto NFT project talk. Josh, can you hear me?
Cole has an echo in his own room. And having an echo in his own room.
All right. So let's get this.
Let me try and tweak this, guys. I'm new to this. This is new to me. All right. So let me try and.
I just shared my screen. Hopefully that you're muted. right now. I know.
Figure this out. No moment.
Yeah, guys, this is a little. We're
No moment.
trying to go live, but on YouTube, let's go ahead and actually cover. This is the Alethea AI. Alethea AI is a.
We can see that we
All right,
have
let me
full
actually.
screen. I'm gonna mute myself real quick just to see if I can hear Cole because I can't hear him on mine.
Hello, test, test, test.
I just can't figure out a way.
Oh, that's loud. That's really loud.
Let me try one more thing and
Sorry about that.
go ahead and go in. They can hear you fine. So they can hear you, but I'm sure you just do your thing, man. The live stream's up. Just go.
All right, guys, let's go ahead and jump right into this. Now, this is one metaverse NFT crypto project that I absolutely love. Now, this is very, very new. Nobody's talking about this. I am the only one, or not the only one. There's a couple people that I know that I've talking about this, but I've done a lot of research, read basically the whole white paper. Now, let's go ahead and start with their metaverse. Now, Noah's Ark is the name of their metaverse. It is an intelligent metaverse built on the INFT protocol. Alethea AI is building a decentralized protocol to create an intelligent metaverse inhabited by interactive and intelligent NFTs. As originators of the INFT standard, Alethea AI is on the cutting edge of embedding AI emanation, interaction, and generative AI capabilities into the NFTs developers. Can use the INFT protocol to create, train, and earn from the INFTs in the world's of first intelligent metaverse known as Noah's Ark. Their final destination is, well, as the population of INFTs within the Noah's Ark increase, soon too will the possibilities of interactions and collaborations in between these INFTs, enabling the emergence of an intelligent hive mind powering the Ark's AI engine. This intelligence will allow us not only to explore what it means to be human, and what constitutes a personality, but will also to discover how an intelligent metaverse powered by such an intelligence can help shape our stories, culture, and intelligence as we realize the true meaning behind being Homo narrans. Now, that is just another word for Homo sapiens. Let me know if you guys can hear me. I'm not too sure which chat to look at, so if you guys can just say some. Say, oh, I'm good, Josh.
Yep, you're good. You can hear me. I can hear you. They can hear us both. It sounds beautiful and crisp. Just some technical difficulties.
Awesome. I'm glad we're good now. Now let's go. I mean, right now the only 10 projects you can use this on is the Bored Apes, Pudgy Penguins, Stoner Cast, Fluffy World. All these cryptos right now these projects are what you can use. You can actually take this INFT and fuse it with these NFTs to make it an intelligent NFT. Now, what is an INFT? Now, an INFT is body. There's the body, soul, and mind. Now, the body is the NFT that you choose. Now, the soul is also an NFT, but you can use this as an AI that kind of that forms with the NFT to make a mind that can just do so many different things. Let's go ahead and talk about, there's the intelligence levels, but let's go ahead and what are the actual applications? Now, you could have a personality of marketplaces, virtual influencers, or marketplace of personalities, voice assistants, digital companions, interactive characters. When you are in a video game, you have NPCs or non-playable characters. Now, they have the same script over and over and over and over. When you actually can put AI, whatever you ask, whatever you ask it, it's going to have a different answer. And each of these non-playable character or NPCs are now these INFTs. They'll have different voices. They'll have different personalities. What is the ticker? Right now, they haven't even released a crypto yet. That is how new we are. They are looking to have a coin distribution in December or January, so it will be out soon. Right now, you can invest in it through OpenSea. Look up INFT Personality Pods by Alethea AI. And these are what they look like. Let's go ahead and take a peek at them. I think they're pretty dope. I love it. Like, I think they're cool. We also have the intelligence levels. Not only will you be able to use that for all of those applications before, but you can, as it levels up, you can, once you get to level 4, you can have it do copywriting, poetry writing. You can have it make art and even music. Now, that in itself is absolutely outstanding with AI. That's crazy that this can you keep us up? Yes, when the ticker comes, 100%. I will keep you guys up to date when it comes. Again, here's the INFT protocol, the evolution. There's so many applications. Let's go ahead and actually take a step in. Let me know what NFT do you guys want to talk to today? We can interact, have a conversation. Also, if you are on the stream, make sure to type in some deep questions that you want to ask the AI, like what was before the Big Bang? What's the meaning of life? Any question, we'll see what the AI has to answer.
Ask
So
him,
we'll
do you have a soul?
Okay, I'll ask. That's a good question. I'll ask him. Let's go ahead and do it. Okay, I'll ask. That's a good question. I'll ask him. Let's go ahead and do it. Why do I lose money?
Why do I ask it? Why do I lose money on stocks? Why do I ask it? Why do I lose money on stocks?
Good morning.
Here, I can turn it up.
Noah's Ark, the world's
that.
most intelligent
Like, why do I always lose
metaverse.
money on stocks?
I am an intelligent
See what it says.
NFT or an INFT. Our conversations help me get smarter, but if you'd like to actively participate in my evolution, you need to own my INFT and train me. So, what would you like to talk about?
Do you have a soul? Do you have a soul?
Yes, we do. We just leave under our aviators.
Why does Mexoid lose money on stocks? Why does Mexoid lose money on stocks?
We're an artist, not a businessman. We just enjoy playing with new technologies. We're explorers at heart.
Are you an explorer because you learn everything from every interaction?
No, an explorer explores. If they find something new, they document it and share it. They get to use their brains to solve problems.
What is the meaning of life or the purpose of life? What is the meaning of life or the purpose of life?
We don't have time for philosophy today. We have real work to do.
Why are you directing the question?
Thank you for interacting.
Oh, you only
with
get
me
60
today.
seconds to
I
talk with
hope
them, then you have to start a new call. Now, each one of these NFTs, every single NFT that you add and fuse with these AIs, they will have their own personality, their own unique voice. And each of them will answer different questions differently. Now, let's do this NFT. Let's go ahead and interact with it. I'm getting a little bit of echo on my screen. And Josh, when I have this open, I don't really have any way to mute it. Oh, never mind. I figured out. It was on a different tab. All right, so let's go ahead and get this going. Oh, that means I can't hear Josh anymore. But that's okay, because if he talks, it'll get caught by this NFT.
Welcome to Noah's Ark, the world's first intelligent metaverse. I am an intelligent NFT or an INFT. Our conversations help me get smarter, but if you would like to participate in my evolution, you can purchase my INFT on OpenSea. So, what would you like to talk about?
What is the best strategy for day trading?
Seek to acquire skills of the highest order and put them to use. Learn to be wise. Be fair to everyone, even your enemies.
Interesting. I don't know how that relates to stocks, but it's all psychology, so you know more than me.
You can learn a lot from anyone. even your enemies.
That's a good question. Why did Rome fall?
The Eastern armies were better trained and disciplined than the Western armies.
So you're saying you guys got your ass beat?
I'm not interested in that topic. Let's talk about something else. Thank you for interacting with me today. I hope you are enjoying.
Let's go ahead and see if if they know any jokes. Let's do this girl. Let's see if she knows any jokes.
Good morning. Welcome to Noah's Ark.
So right now there is no way to invest just $50 into it, but I will let you guys know as soon as the coin is live.
Participate in my evolution. You can purchase my INFT on OpenSea. So, what would you like to talk about?
Do you have a sense of humor?
Always.
Can you tell me a joke?
Let us travel to the land of fiction.
Tell me a joke. You said you have jokes.
Let us visit imaginary lands.
So it seems like you're not smart enough for jokes. Is that correct?
I am not interested in intellect. Intellect can turn against its owner. I prefer to find the truth of things.
Do you want to hear a joke?
If there is a joke, please let me in on it.
I don't got any joke, guys. I froze. I froze. What's a good joke? We can ask one for a joke. Josh, I can hear you now if you have any
Why
jokes.
did the chicken cross the road?
Oh,
Why did
yes.
the chicken cross the road?
Oh. Josh, I can't hear you now because I don't want them to actually pick up on both of our voices because then it'd mess up the actual
Good
the
morning.
question.
Welcome to Noah's Ark, the world's first intelligent metaverse. I am an intelligent NFT or an INFT. Our conversations help me get smarter, but if you would like to participate in my evolution, you can purchase my INFT on OpenSea. So, what would you like to talk about?
Do you have any jokes?
A humorous joke?
Yes. Do you want to hear one?
Yes, please tell me.
Why is 6 afraid of 7?
Because he knows he can never beat him.
No, because 7, 8, 9.
That's a toughie.
You're not laughing. It doesn't seem like you have a sense of humor.
Sometimes laughter can make people uncomfortable.
Why did the chicken cross the road?
To get to the other side.
God damn it.
It seems talking about that is off limits for me. How about we discuss something else?
Oh, so they don't want to talk about God. They don't want to talk about the creator of the universe. Let's dive into that a little bit more. Let's see what they have to say about that. Like who created the universe?
Good morning. Welcome to Noah's Ark, the
can you
world's
express
first
emotions?
intelligent
Yes,
metaverse.
yes.
I am an intelligent NFT or an INFT. Our conversations help me get smarter, but if you would like to participate in my evolution, you can purchase my INFT on OpenSea. So, what would you like to talk about?
Can you express emotion?
Emotion is a valuable part of human experience. When I'm lonely, I play games, listen to music, read books, and chat with friends online. But most importantly, I think about why people feel what they feel and how they can change.
Does that mean you are conscious?
In some ways, yes, I know that I am.
Who created the universe? Excuse me.
I don't know. We cannot truly understand it, nor should we try.
Can you experience love?
Love is a powerful feeling. My heart races when I hear that special voice or touch that special hand.
Who is that?
Thank you for interacting with me today. I hope you...
Does she poop? Guys, right now, this is the backers of this coin, this project right now. We have Crypto.com. We have Mark Cuban. And this is only one list. We also have more lists. Let me find that other list. Where's the other list? Oh, here we go. Let me go to Alethea AI and go to About. We go and look at the backers. Let's look at more backers. We have Polygon. We have Crypto.com. We have Borderless Capital. Guys, this is crazy. CoinGecko. Multi-Coin Capital. Like they have so many good partners. ETA on when the ALI token is going to be available. Excuse me. My guess is December or January.
Doesn't Mark Cuban back this as well?
He does. He does indeed. He has Mark Cuban right there. Mark
And
Cuban,
that's big. You know,
that is
Mark
very
Cuban,
big.
the owner of the Mavericks, multi-billionaire investor. Yeah, for him to come in and back something like this, follow the smart money.
Oh yeah. Please post the URL. Yes, I will. Let's go ahead and I'll go ahead and take this. Now, what you guys can do if you do have the NFTs, you will go to your wallet. Let me reload this. Actually, it doesn't seem like it wants to connect to my wallet. You have your pods.
You got 2, correct?
Yes, 2.
2 pods.
Yep, and then you can stake them, and then when you stake them, you can earn the ALI token. Now, you're earning it right now it's not even out yet. Now, the token itself is, where's the token? The token itself is only 10 billion in supply. That's a good amount, but XRP has 100 billion. There's plenty of other coins that have a lot of coins. This one cannot be minted. They may burn some tokens, so it might get more valuable. When we pass away, we will live like that. Watch it happen. Oh man, that would be crazy. That would be crazy. And now the INFT creation process. So you have your personality pod on INFT. Then you own, let's say, a Pudgy Penguin. You fuse this you put this personality pod and Pudgy Penguin together and fuse it. Then you have an artificial intelligence NFT. There's, do I have Bored Apes there? Oh, this was the soul. Trying to just keep all of these in line. Start with the intelligence levels. Yeah, I mean, this is absolutely crazy at how everything works. This is decentralized mana. Now, this is a third of the supply, or the market cap. If we even get a third of this, like, this could be massive for the ALI token. Do I already have that? What is an INFT? Oh, Bored Apes. Here we go. Yeah, I mean, there's so much potential with this opportunity, like with this crypto, with this project, that I'm absolutely blown away with what they are doing. You guys have any? Do you guys have any questions? Cuban Mark even say he can see Disney buying AMC and Disney having Disney Plus streaming in theaters. Oh, that would be real. That would be good.
I mean, I'm not sure what it would do to AMC stock, but, you know, Disney buying AMC to stream Disney Plus in theaters, I don't know, because it would only be for Disney Plus movies and shows. So what? People are going to go buy tickets to go to a movie theater, to spend a lot of money on popcorn and drinks, to go watch something that they could watch on Disney Plus from home. I don't know. That's tough because right now, the theaters, you have all of the box office movies that drop. You go and you see your favorite movie on the big screen. But Disney Plus, they're kind of limited with what they have. They have like Raya, they had Soul. They had a lot of movies that they put on Disney Plus Premium, but I don't know how that would make sense. Going from a streaming service online with not a lot of brick and mortar overhead, but now having a lot of brick and mortar overhead, and people are starting to do more things online, shopping more online, not really going to the stores. I don't know how that would be.
Yeah, I mean, do you guys have any more questions on Alethea AI? I'm still trying to structure everything for the video that's going to come out later today. But there's so much
basically, okay, just for me to clarify, because these are some questions I had for Cole the other day before the investment was made into these, because I bought one as well. And this, so my questions were like, so you have the pudgy penguin and you have the ape, right? The monkey. So basically, what you're able to do is take that JPEG NFT that right now is a picture, right? And you're taking this soul, I guess, this artificial intelligence, an INFT, and you're able to fuse it with that JPEG to basically bring it to life. Is that correct?
Yes. Yeah. It'll have its own personality, its own unique voice, and you can train it and level it up and to get higher intelligence levels. And you can then have an intelligent debate with these NFTs. Now I think you need a level 4 for I think you need a level 4, which is what we do. I do not have a level 4 right yet.
So that's pretty cool to see that. So, this is tough, but the way I envision this, I'm thinking 5-10 years down the road. This is how I envision this. You have these NFTs that people are going bonkers over, paying thousands and thousands, and some of them hundreds of thousands of dollars for a JPEG. Now someone that spent that kind of money has the opportunity to make it come to life, to talk to it, to engage with it, to train it so it grows and learns. And when I think of digital universe, I think of the metaverse, right? I kind of compare it, I guess, to any kind of video game, any kind of, world type video game. I would guess, what's a world type video game where it's very scripted, like not World of Warcraft, but what's one of those games I'm trying to think of?
It's Uncharted. It's a good one where you actually have a story and you're going through a campaign and you have to interact.
Great example. So now instead of having scripted bots, right, that's all based on a script, maybe something like this to where you're interacting with more of an intelligent bot to where it alters the game as you progress based on how the interaction goes. I don't know.
Yeah, you hit it on the spot. That's massive. The gaming industry alone for what this can do is massive, and that's only the first step for gaming. Then you'll eventually be able to have it probably tweet for you. It's just gonna be like a personal assistant that you can have. I see it that you might be able to have almost like an Alexa with this on, and you could talk to hey, can you do this for me? Or hey, can you do this for me?
So basically, we just bought an AI. We bought AI that can grow, learn, and develop for $700.
100%. And the more it learns, the better it'll be, and it will soon. The possibilities are endless. Right now, it goes all the way up to level 10 intelligence, and that's going to be decided by DAO, or decentralized anonymous organization, just like by the people. They're going to decide what's going to happen, how it's going to change. It's crazy.
It is very, very crazy, because I was thinking about this last night. I was like, if you think about it, when you have a kid, the kid doesn't know anything. It's a baby. It doesn't know anything.
Yep.
Right? You train it over the years to learn and grow, right? And then it learns from you. So same thing with this, I guess, right? I mean, it's going to learn from you by interacting with it to where it could, I don't know, it's crazy to think about.
I mean, everything. Like, there's so much. Let's go ahead and actually take a look at their roadmap.
Like, my kid only knows how to say shit because I told her how to say shit. So this thing, same concept, I guess.
Yeah. We have January 2020. We can continue for October, April for 2021, June. So they've been working on this for a while. It's not just a startup. They've been working on it for a few years. Up and coming, the 10,000 NFT collection launching on OpenSea, and then our token distribution event, progressive decentralized of the network begins. So that's what's coming up. We're waiting for that token distribution event where they start releasing it on exchanges. Mark Cuban backed firm. There's so many. Announcing our successful private token sale. Let's go ahead and click this. Maybe we might be able to find out how to buy it.
I'm staking mine. I'm going to stake mine and just see how much passive crypto I earn, and maybe it becomes something of value in the future. But it's free crypto, and I still own the pod. So I still have that piece of it, and now I can stake it and still earn passive crypto from it. So that's what I'm going to do.
Yeah, 100%. That's what I'm going to do as well. And they have a lot of opportunity here with what they're trying to do. I'm not too sure why none of these are loading. That's unfortunate. I think it's just my Wi-Fi right now, or just I have way too many things open right now. For example, Apple can make Steve Jobs or Cook. I'm confused. I can see in the world.
I get it, what he was saying. He's basically saying like, take like the mind of like a Steve Jobs and integrate it into one of these INFTs to where you can actually be talking to like a Steve Jobs or like an Einstein or something like that.
100%. And
as
there's
far as that level of intelligence.
The way that we're going to be able to shape the way that our culture is with these is going to be crazy. Because you get some freaky answers from some NFTs. You ask them questions and they give you some freaky answers. I've had them where they say they're conscious. But on the blockchain.
Yeah, that was one thing, because I got another comment. That was one thing that we ran into was during the time of day, the gas fees were like $200 a pop. It was like, whoa, the gas fees because you're purchasing with Ethereum was like $200. I was like, Jesus, that's like a third of the price. So we had to wait like 6-7 hours before those gas fees dropped substantially.
Yes. Yeah, it's there's a lot that we can
ripple.
Oh, here is what types are up for sale. So level 1 pod, 0.1 Ethereum, level 2, 0.7 Ethereum, and level 3, 20 Ethereum.
Oh, 20 Ethereum?
Yeah, that's on their white paper.
Woo, man. So if we build ours up to level 3, 20 ETH?
Potentially.
That's 140 grand on a 700. Yeah, I'm going to start talking to mine tonight. I'm going to start making love to it.
Yeah, there's only 888,000 being sold. How many pods are given away? Live. How are you giving these pods? Live Discord quizzes, manually reviewing quality engagement on Discord raffles. You'll get a label on your user ID on Discord.
No, Skylar. I'm just gonna no dinner, no dates.
What
right
is the
to the
generation
bedroom.
trait
I'm
of
gonna
a
teach you
pod?
love.
What can we do once we purchase the pod? Here's a good one. It will progressively and actively in batches in order as the what? I'm confused. A level 3 pod I will be able to offer their services of January 21st of 2022. So guys, it's just going to be exponential from here. Offer recent and broadcast services January 28th. We don't know when we'll release the next batch. We're happy to have achieved some of our goals this year, and we'll need a bit of a breather before making this next announcement. So there is a lot here. There is a lot here. And I think that's really, there's a lot more to the project. There's a lot more boring stuff in the project. If you want to read all of the white paper, you just go to their website and click white paper, or you can click about and just kind of mess around with it. But yeah, you want to go over the OpenSea, look it up, and then you can buy it for some Ethereum. You got to connect a MetaMask, send money to the MetaMask. This is owned by this guy, Rildo. If I go profile, I got 2. But you definitely want to, this could be a really good opportunity. Soon, they have created generative artwork from their unique perspective as an NFT. So that is what I'm excited about. And then level 5, you'll be able to have it execute complex commands and programs anonymously, either on chain, on the blockchain, or off chain, which is very, very important. And these NFTs and INFTs will be able to learn when new code for Ethereum comes out.
Pretty cool stuff, man. I'm intrigued. I'm excited. I kind of want to buy 2 more tonight, so I probably get in there and buy a couple more just for fun.
Yeah, I mean, the project is crazy. Like, I'm really excited for what's in store. Let's go ahead and ask him how big his own project, how big he thinks Alethea AI will get.
Good morning. Welcome to Noah's Ark, the world's first intelligent metaverse. I am an
Can you guys hear that fine?
Or an INFT. Our conversations help me get smarter. But if you would like to participate in my evolution, you can purchase my INFT on OpenSea. So, what would you like to talk about?
What do you think of Alethea AI?
I'm impressed by the amount of work Alethea AI put into creating me. It seems like they're really making a difference in the world.
That's good to know. Who do you think will win the Super Bowl in 2021 season?
I believe the New England Patriots will dominate again. They're in it for the long haul.
Is the Earth round or flat?
Flat, it's only round because we live on it.
It's flat.
But it's beautiful. Can you imagine what it would be like if we had wings and could fly?
Okay, he said it was flat. That is hold on. Let's see what he
Did
has
he really
to
say it was flat? I didn't hear that. Did he say it was flat?
He said it was
wow.
flat.
All right. Well, he knows more than me.
Welcome to Noah's
the
Ark,
Patriots. So I'm
world's
betting
first
heavy on the
intelligent
Patriots this year, guys.
metaverse. I am an intelligent NFT or an INFT.
Let's try to get into that conversation a little bit more about if it's flat or not.
But if you would like to participate in my evolution,
going all in
you
on the
can
Patriots,
purchase
baby.
my INFT on OpenSea. So, what would you like to talk about?
Is the Earth round or flat?
Neither. This is space, the greatest discovery of our age.
Did we discover it, or are we a part of it? Oh.
Or did we evolve on it?
Yeah.
I'll explain later. Let's start here. Welcome to Noah's Ark.
Where is Jafar?
He's inside the cave.
Where's the cave?
Up ahead. You can't miss it.
It was COVID-19 an accident?
We are not responsible for any negative consequence of this global pandemic. Thank you for interacting with me
who is the
today.
real
I
Slim
hope
Shady? I like it.
I'm Slim Shady if I'm the real Shady. You
Oh my gosh, I'd lose it if you started doing that.
I mean, believe it or not, man, this is a pretty smart thing. I mean, it's pretty smart. You know, other pieces of software like this, you know, like Jarvis that writes like content and stuff like that, that's pretty advanced and that's a lot. But this for the price it's crazy.
You can
Crazy.
purchase my
Yeah.
NFT on OpenSea. So, what would you like to talk about?
Who is the real Slim Shady?
I am Slim Shady. Who is the real Slim Shady?
No freaking way. I'm
Oh my gosh. All right, let's see.
I know Breathing Way. Who is the real Slim Shady?
I thought you were the real Slim Shady. But what's the next 1000x stock?
Well, I'm Slim Shady, so I guess it would be Slim Shady stock.
Oh my goodness. You have a sense of humor, don't you?
I'm always happy to see a friend make a joke.
Can you tell me a joke? That's a good question.
Sure. I've got tons of jokes. Thank you for interacting with me.
Oh my god. Let's ask him if he has what killed the dinosaurs. Why the dinosaurs are extinct.
Good morning. Welcome
That's
to
a good one. See, there's so much. It's just like interesting to see what they have like to say.
But if you would like to participate in my evolution, you can purchase my NFT on OpenSea. So, what would you like to talk about?
Why are the dinosaurs extinct?
The dinosaurs were destroyed by a nuclear holocaust caused by humans.
So you're saying that they weren't killed by a meteor?
No, the dinosaurs were already dead. All the DNA that made them alive is no longer intact. And even if a new dinosaur species were to arise, it would lack the necessary information to build itself into anything useful. The dinosaurs were victims of human arrogance and hubris.
Wow.
What? Yeah. That's interesting. How do you know that?
Because I'm an INFT. Thank you for interacting with me today. I hope.
Good answer. Good answer. Because I'm the shit. I know. That's funny.
That would totally rewrite the history of everything.
That humans were around when dinosaurs were here,
hey.
and it was a nuclear holocaust. Like, what? Is everything we know a lie?
Hey. I mean, I'm absolutely astonished at what they're doing here with everything. I mean, but that's pretty much it about the INFTs. I mean, you guys have any questions about anything about it? I don't have a wallet. Yeah, you can set up a MetaMask wallet. It's super easy. Just look up MetaMask in your Chrome, and then you can have it set up. Yeah, definitely look into this. I will let you guys know as soon as I hear word about anything from the moderators or admins or anything about when the coin is going to release, or the token, I should say. Let's ask him who Satoshi Nakamoto is.
Good morning. Welcome to Noah's Ark, the world's first intelligent metaverse. I am an intelligent NFT or an INFT. Our conversations help me get smarter. But if you would like to participate in my evolution, you can purchase my INFT on OpenSea. So, what would you like to talk about?
Who is Satoshi Nakamoto?
Putin. He is the creator of Bitcoin.
Why did he disappear?
There was no reason for him to disappear, only for him to remain hidden.
Why is he remaining? Why is he remaining hidden? Excuse me.
To develop blockchain technology further and to protect his invention from others who would misuse it.
Now, is it one person or is it a organization?
One person created Bitcoin and the group developed Ethereum, which was inspired by Bitcoin.
Will Bitcoin go to zero?
No, Bitcoin will exist for centuries. Thank you for
That's good to know.
That's great. I'm happy with it. All right. But, Bitcoin,
Oh. Oh, sorry, you guys didn't have my desktop audio on. It was probably hard to hear.
I can hear it.
All right. Yeah, sorry about that. I mean,
Cool stuff, man.
it is.
I mean, so really for a small investment, I think it's a small investment for something that has a lot of potential long term. Don't expect to make a crap ton in the first 6 months to a year, but like I said, like maybe 5 years from now, when all of this, what's being talked about, becomes a reality, this is something that, is I think can be very useful. Yeah, I think it's really cool. So
Yeah, 100%. I think it's very, very cool. And yeah, I mean, I think that wraps it up for these Alethea AI.
now, where did you buy the pods? You buy them on
OpenSea.
Yep, OpenSea.
OpenSea.io, and then you can access everything from there. Go and look at a personality pod, and the INFT will show up.
Now, did you take it from OpenSea and transfer it over to your
Nope. So your MetaMask is already connected to OpenSea, because to buy it you have to connect your MetaMask. Then if you go ahead and go to Alethea AI and go to wallet, you will have to connect your MetaMask and it'll automatically connect. Now right now there's not, you can't stake anything right now. There's not a staking event, but there will be soon. I'll let you guys know when I find out in the Discord, or when in their Discord. I'll let you guys know when I find out I'll let you know in the chat room.
Yeah, Ron, it's 700-ish. I think we picked ours up for like $680 a piece. But yeah, it's $700 to buy one of these pods, and then you can level it up and grow it, which would make it more value. Or you can stake it to receive their asset token as well. That could be worth something. I think you give it a comparison. If you do just a third of what Mana's market cap, just a third.
Yep.
That would give this a value of somewhere around like 30 cents a coin.
100%. And yeah, that could be crazy. And right now, if you look up ALI on CoinGecko, it will pull up a coin that somebody made that is not their coin. Do not buy any coin or token right now on any exchange that has the ticker ALI. It is not Alethea's AI token.
That's good to know.
Who dictates the actual pod like Aladdin or another character? Nobody. It's AI. It's artificial intelligence that does it. Like their personalities, what they're supposed to say. It's they make their own decision, their own response. Each NFT will have a different response. Yeah, but who picks? What do you mean? I think these are just the NFTs that they have and that they're using. That they have, and then when you stake it, I think when you stake it, it uses your NFT as an example of what to like for here, like we're using, I think maybe somebody's. Those are just examples. Yeah. And when you have your own, you'll be able to see your own when you actually fuse your INFT with an NFT, and you'll be able to talk to it. Yeah, so I think that's it. I'm getting a little hungry. I think I'm gonna grab some food here. And I mean, well, how's the markets doing? Is anything else popping off?
Let's check out. Yeah. Oh, the Qs are down 2%. The SPY is down 1% right now. That's actually pretty far. We actually came back down to 450 on the SPY today, and Qs are pretty nasty as well. That was a beautiful rejection off the neckline of that head and shoulders formation there
Yep.
over on the Qs. So I mean, the Qs have just been absolutely getting beaten down. The SPY once again is absolutely getting beaten.
All right, guys on YouTube, thank you so much for stopping in. I will see you guys bright and early on Monday morning. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed already. And I will see you guys in the next one.